monitor that.
Package.
And I will actually um, change the title, right? So starting a
Yeah,
database in OCaml.
just to one thing. Uh, I'm not
We are
sure
live,
if
by
you
the way.
look okay. I'm not sure if you're looking to the same thing I was looking, the Dune project thing. It's not because the name was there. It's because the name is here.
The name is where?
On the link that I sent on the chat.
Bean Dune. Bean Dune. In
Yeah,
here?
then you have this public name. Yeah, I guess it's because of this public name.
Mm,
Because the way they do it is like a composable build system. Like each part knows how to build itself. So you have those Dune in each part that knows how to build the things that are there.
I
So
see.
you can have there and an executable libraries defined there and such, and then you can select the different ones to run.
I see. I see. So before we start for real, I just want to make sure that so let's try to search for default package Nix OCaml.
Yeah,
Just to
Mageta said that he will arrive really, really late.
yeah, that's very unfortunate. That's very unfortunate, but it is what it is. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, so this is not kind of what we want. We want something very, 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 very simple. Something along these lines, actually. But the problem is that okay, so packages.h2. So do we have something like that? No. We only have Doom, no doc, OCaml LSP. Which reminds me that I don't have LSP. Well, I don't know if we're gonna do a lot of coding today. I think we're gonna have to read more code than write. Um, we need a default package. That's the only problem. That's the only problem. Right. So how can we manage to get that ongoing? There's a page for OCaml in here, which doesn't help us that much. Well, screw it then. So let's go to Mageta's thing. Let's go to ExpressDB. So he said there is a branch. So rewrite whatever there. There's a folder called language and there's a folder called AST. I believe this is where he recommended us to first to start, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so let's take a look. So we have types. Um, we have numbers, integers 32. We have fixed characters, variable characters, unique identifier. I know the reason why we have this differentiation is because of the varnum. What is the name of that?
Varchar,
Varchar. Is that the one that has like the 200 limit or whatever?
I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, can you go back to the code?
Yeah.
Oh, so that's his char in Varchar?
That's what I'm assuming. That's why I got reminded
No,
of that.
he could be calling that, but okay, that's fair.
No, but these names are not ton names. They are long. They are very
Yeah,
literal.
yeah, but when the domain are used to use some specific ones, you could just use the same, right? Everyone would understand.
The only other option is if the names that people use suck. Right.
Yeah, 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 that makes sense. If they
uh,
are really bad, just go with something else.
okay, so we have fixed characters. We have variable characters. And we have a unique
Wait, can you
identifier.
explain me the difference before?
Yeah. So as far as I can tell, the difference is basically the representation. So one of them has a, like a fixed limit, uh, which in this case, which in this Microsoft one has the 8,000. Uh, and then the other one, like this is very not clear in my mind, right? I
Well,
did
uh,
database stuff
well, I would
2 years,
assume that
3 years.
both has like I would assume that both has a fixed max value. But is varchar something from zero until something, and the other is always just something? It cannot be
Char
less
and
than that.
varchar. Okay, so the fundamental difference is that char is fixing length, while
Oh,
the varchar supports variable length columns of data.
okay. So I would assume that the varchar is zero until what you establish, right? And
Yeah, the
char is always that.
yeah.
That's a bit weird, isn't it? Well, they are probably doing some crazy optimization based on that. So, yeah.
Yeah, probably. So I don't necessarily remember the difference, like the difference maybe it's this 8,000 whatever. But that's not important because we're probably gonna see that limitation going on in the code itself.
You can ask to ChatGPT, like explaining like I'm 5 years old, right? That would be great.
Okay, so we have something very interesting, which is that we have something called unique identifier, which doesn't carry anything. So,
That doesn't make sense, right?
so I'm assuming he's using some sort of trick
No, I'm
to use
assuming he
that.
forgot to put off something. I'm pretty sure, dude.
Really?
Yeah,
Well,
there is no way it is unique if you.
well, it depends, right? Because maybe, oh no, there isn't. Oh, but we don't know, right? We don't know exactly which other folders are using. Oh, there's a 3CPP file for physical. I don't know what that is for. And
I
we
mean,
also
I'm
have.
assuming.
Oh, so this is where the main thing lives, I guess. Yeah.
Oh, oh no, no. Okay, sorry. I was confusing myself. Uh, that's the AST of that language, right?
Yeah.
So you maybe just need to put the type somewhere of whatever, right? It doesn't need to be actually what we are storing on, like the columns and stuff, right?
Yeah, especially because he
So
has the literal down here.
yeah, what?
Yeah, so I'm
Mm,
assuming this is the type level.
um,
Like, this is the type of whatever is going on. And
what the
these
fuck
are.
kind? What is he doing?
What is he doing?
Wait. Okay, yeah, I have no idea.
Anyway, that's but we can go on. So in regards to types, we have this member here called byte size, which is basically doing a hard-coded conversion of the bytes, as far as I can tell, which is yeah, that's fine. So the integer 32 is 4 bytes, n is n, and type variable characters is n as well. That's interesting. The fixed characters and the variable characters, they hold a number, and they both that number is their byte size.
Wait, that should be multiplied, right? Ugh.
Oh, maybe he's doing the math in other place.
No, no, but look at the others, dude.
Yeah, but then why would he do the math in other place?
No, that he, yeah, maybe he forgot that one because well, the others like looks fine, right?
So the unique identifier for some reason has 36 bytes. I have no idea why. Then we have a module kind inside the module AST, which has a field metadata of the position and the type. The position? The position. Okay.
Uh,
Then we have the table. We have
and
the.
why does type has a prime? That's not a keyword, right?
I have no idea. It has been a while since F sharp.
No, no, you can take a look at the left. Type is like lowercase all the way, you see?
Oh yeah, I remember that. I remember that.
And he's using types
Maybe he was
for
inspired
the.
by Haskell.
Oh no, that doesn't sound good.
So we have also a table, which is inside the kind for some reason, but okay. Then the table has a name, that makes sense, and it has an attribute, which is a map of strings to field metadata.
Hmm.
Um, Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense because before, like this actually make allows you to not have to ask them to not ask the data itself to discover the things that you need, right? So this is already kind of like clever because you can ask this instead, and this will tell you, oh, this column of data, this row or whatever, it has these types, right? So you can already type check in the query before actually gathering the data to discover the type.
Yeah, no
Then
idea about the kind and position though.
maybe this is the column, and maybe this is the type.
Well, that's a fair assumption of the type, but yeah, if that's like which column it actually is, then that's not the best name, right?
Yeah, but
But
then oh wait, maybe this is the name of this is the name of the column, the name, and this is the
yeah, but
yeah, but then the
uh,
position is weird.
or maybe you are not interpreting like field as we should, right?
Yeah, that's also a possibility. Then we have an entity, which is a table of kind.table. What is a table?
Wow, what we just saw, the
No, no, no. This is
kind
not.
that
No, this is not a table. This is a kind.table, as far as I can tell. Oh, this is just a
sure.
constructor. This is just a constructor. Okay, so this the
Oh, that's
entity has the table constructor, which has the content kind.table.
I'm
Fair.
assuming yes.
So then we have the literals, which we have right now integers, varchar. Okay, so the varchar lives in here. And then we have the fixchar. Okay. And then we have the unique identifier being the system dot whatever this is. Do you know what this is?
Uh, yes, like GUID, right?
Yeah, but I'm not. I don't remember this from F Sharp days.
That's a UID thing from Microsoft, I guess. But well, it's
Oh.
just a random ID.
Oh, okay, but this is unique then.
Yep.
Okay. Then you have the type expressions, which has a insert constructor. That's a weird name for a constructor. And
Uh, wait, but isn't that the operation that you have? Like insert? That
yeah,
doesn't sound strange, man.
no, that sounds strange for a constructor name.
How so?
Oh wait, this is the expression. Oh, these expressions is for the language.
Yeah, maybe expression. It's not the correct term for that, but I do think insert makes sense if it is describing what I think it is.
What do you think it is trying to express?
Well, the statement that you can write in SQL, right?
The statement that you can write in SQL.
Insert the shit somewhere.
Yeah. Okay. I don't remember this notation though. What is this fields column?
Oh, okay, yeah. Uh, so you see, how can I explain that shit?
Is this a
Well,
syntax sugar for a record?
no, it's just giving the name fields to that type. It's not anonymous how it usually is in OCaml and Haskell. You can give a name to it.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, that appears on tooling and shit. Not very useful
Okay.
besides documentation.
Okay, and then the name of that is actually an array of insert field infos, which has a
Ins-
name, which has a type, and has a literal.
Wait,
A
what
name, a
is?
type,
Where
and a
is
literal.
that, dude? Insert field
A
info.
name, a type, and a literal. Dude,
Oh, okay, it's
he's
it's
making
there.
typed SQL then. So the
I
types are
don't know.
not only for the errors, the types are also for the language.
Oh, he's saying something on the chat. Insert field info. That doesn't make sense.
That, like, I don't know
No,
how I
no,
feel
no.
about
What I
that.
mean, I'm talking about line 37 about the types being mutually recursive. He's not using that feature.
Yeah, maybe, but maybe he
You
wasn't.
see,
Yeah, but
he's
maybe he
not
was.
using expressions inside insert field into info.
Can you do that though in SQL?
What?
Can you do an insert using an insert inside? I don't think so.
I have no idea.
Yeah, no, I think for the insert we are completely non-recursive. Only for the no, the update as well. The update you also I don't think you
Only
can.
the like reading ones are the ones that you can compose and shit.
I think that the join you can compose, the
Oh,
select you can compose, but
oh, it sounds sane. Like only the ones that it is regarding reading and composing, I guess.
yeah,
But
but for
yeah,
the insert I think this makes sense. But what I think it's kind of weird is that you, as far as I can tell, in the insert, like typing insert, you would put the type as well. You would not only put the, because as far as I remember, maybe I'm completely not remembering things, but as far as I remember, you only put the names and the values in the table name, of course.
so
Yeah,
insert into table and values such as
yeah. So
way.
these are, if you want to, like, there's two ways of doing
Oh,
that. So the first
okay.
way, you put the names of the fields and their values in the like correspondent,
Oh,
right? So
just
first
like
first.
set the order that you want, right?
If you want to follow the same order of the columns, you can do it like this.
Mhm. Oh, okay, that's
But
fair.
yeah, but the thing is, you can see
Oh,
that
yeah,
for
why do you need the types, right?
yeah. So is Magetta making a type this kill?
No, no, by the way, there is a type there. Like, it's not an array of types, right? And the name is also types. It should be just type, right? But, okay.
Yeah, no, no. But the thing is, if you as far I don't know how he envisioned the thing to work, but based on this, you would put the name of the field like column. You see, you
Wait,
would
he's
put
saying something, man.
yeah. It's saying that it's
Fo-
trash.
no, no, after that, focus on the necessary to insert first. Types, that is. No idea.
Yeah. So, but let me just finish my thoughts. So I think that what he wants is you put insert the name of the table, and then you put. Actually, it's a good question. Where is the name of the table in here?
Wait,
okay, so
wait.
okay, so I have no idea how you put the name of the table, but I think that this is the column, the name of the column. This is the
Wait.
type of the column, and this
What
is the
about
value.
that? What about that, Lemos? Let's just like take a look on that page that you have. Yeah, that link, and then let's implement that shit. Let's ignore a bit what Magetta wrote for now,
No, 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 no.
because
We can't do that because
why?
what we want is to actually to not do SQL, right? We want a complete sane database that does not have all the new things.
Yeah, sure, but
And
for
maybe
now,
and maybe the way to do that is adding types to it, which makes
well,
sense. It's kind of intuitive.
you can just ping him there and ask this now. That would be very helpful.
I agree.
Uh, but
But I
the other
think.
thing is
Mhm.
that's just a piece of thing, right? It's not something very wild. So even if we do something that is a bit off, it's easy to fix. And I
Okay,
think
so
it's easier than taking this code.
let's implement. Oh wait, you said something easier than this code. I think that
Let's
Magetta
just
said
like,
on the chat that we need to focus on what is necessary, which is types. And so I think we should try to make this piece of code in OCaml.
oh wait, let me just ask stuff for Magetta, man.
Sure. What is the type of types? What a question.
No, no. What is the types, not what's the type of types.
Oh, okay. And another question would, would be, are we planning to do type
Type it SQL.
SQL.
Yeah, that's an important question, Lemus. Thank you, man.
So we're gonna be doing typed SQL. Hmm.
Oh, you don't know
That
that.
that makes sense.
Yeah, SQL type. Yeah.
Okay, so let me be
What?
more explicit with my data.
Yeah, no, no, no. Send a print of this. Where is the type here, dude? Yeah. Are the only important thing to serialize? What do you mean?
That's a very good question.
Oh, wait. Oh, sure, yeah. When we declare the tables and shit, we use the types, right? And they
No,
will be
when we,
there somewhere.
no, when we
So
declare, yes. When you declare the
no,
table,
no, no.
yes. But
Yeah, that's what I mean. So it shouldn't be on that expression or statement. We have just the name, and then we look up somewhere. You see, on
yeah,
the schema.
yeah. But why is then the
So
insert
it
field
should not
inf?
be there. I think Paget is just wrong.
Uh, I think I don't know if it's gonna be productive to try to talk via chat. This is probably something better to have a call about it.
Well, yeah, but what can we do, right? And also, I have to leave for a brief moment just to deliver something. Yeah, that's no. 1 second.
Sure. You may not have it. Because that gives weak enforcement. What is bringing the confusion? Insert field info. Yeah, yeah. So, yeah, that makes sense. So just for the recording, Maggot is saying that he may have done this for the sake of removing things from the map. And that makes sense.
I'm back.
Okay, so
So why is the type there?
Magetta just said that that was him, and trying to remove some stuff out of the map. So instead of having the thing in here, he's putting it in here, or whatever that means.
Uh, I mean, you realize.
You need to
Yeah,
carry the type to
you
serialize. That
realize.
is why.
Yeah, Magetta doesn't know what he's doing or saying.
Or maybe
So
we don't. That's also a thing.
yeah,
I
less
would be
unlikely,
very. I
but
would, no, no, I don't think it's less likely because I think that out of the three of us,
less
he is the one
unlikely.
that reads more about database stuff.
Yeah, but the part that I'm talking here, it's nothing to do about database. Let me explain to you. We have to parse something and have an AST, right? And we can do transformation on that AST. For example, optimization and whatever, right?
Sure.
So at least the first of it, that I imagine it's that, we would have no way to know what type to be in the AST in the first place because the user is not typing that.
Mhm.
You see?
Mhm.
So there is no way the type is there. We have to check somewhere. And if you want to do something with you got from a different map, that is the schema, you can do it. Or you can increment to make a second AST. But on the first one, that is just out of the parse, we can't have types unless the user will type them.
Yeah, in terms of making sense of like you said, in terms of a
It's
programming
just
language,
parsing.
yeah, the parser cannot tell you the type, which means that how can you have this in here, right? So Magetta is saying that we need to ask the question: what is the minimum amount of information I need to store? I need to store. I need to have in order to store information in the
No,
disk.
no, I know he wants types somewhere to know how to serialize. Sure, but we don't need that after the parser. Well, what I mean is, the parser doesn't need to spit that as an output. He can use the name of the attribute and check on the schema. You have
Hmm.
the table name, right?
Okay, so I think that yeah, you were right, but I just want to pay attention to what he's saying right now because he's saying a lot. So if you give it an int, you know it's 4 bytes. If it's a string, you need a schema. But what kind of string? I think he means var
Just
char or
explain
char.
serialization, dude.
You can look at the schema at the time, or just insert it along with the information in the insert. Ignore the insert. I don't think that's where you start. Hmm.
What do you mean?
Okay, so we need to decide what we're gonna do first. So do you want, do you think we should be doing first?
From the beginning, parsing to AST.
I don't know if that's a good call.
Well, we don't know much about database, so we can't do much else, right?
That's fair. That's fair that we we lack the knowledge,
We don't know shit.
no, 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 but I think actually the language is the easiest
Uh,
part on this project.
wait, did you heard what I just said?
Yeah,
Parsing to AST, that's the language, dude.
yeah, that's the easiest part of this.
Yeah, so let's go.
I don't think that's where you start. To try to write a string to a file and retrieve it with an expected size. I think we should do what Mageta is saying because the core
Hmm,
functionality, which is hard and it's going to take a lot of time, is actually the low level manipulation crap.
sure,
The
then why should we start by it?
uh,
Just because
why?
it's hard?
Yeah,
That's
because
not enough.
no, if something is gonna take it's harder, it's gonna take more time. We should start right away
Yeah, why?
because it's gonna take more time.
That doesn't explain anything, dude. So what? In total, it will take the same time in theory.
Well, mathematically yes, but I don't think that should be the. It's not. That's not an argument to do whatever, you know. But
Sure,
well,
I'm just saying. Just because it's harder, it's not argument to do it first. If you want to know why I want to do the language first, it's because we know how to do that. And, well, we are sure, well, we are a bit more sure on how it should be because we can just look on SQL in statements and just make an AST for parsing that.
I'm a little bit nervous about doing that because I don't. I think Magetta will hate us, but
Why though?
Because he doesn't want to. He wants to go as far as we can from this, as far as I know.
Wait,
Uh,
let me ask something.
and what I think, what he said, I think it's important, but I don't know. I don't think we know how to do that properly. I think that there are many books explaining how to do what he's proposing.
Well, if he's saying something very simple, like a phrase that he's saying, oh, just do that tiny operation here, I think we can do it. But I wouldn't like to do it without much context, dude. Like why he needs that and so on. So I will ask, regarding what appears on the syntax, how are we diverging from the normie SQL? Uh,
Try to write a string to a file and retrieve it within its expected size.
wait, what do you mean? Just write to a file?
Yeah,
What do you mean expected size?
the expected size is like you. I think you're gonna have to do a CSV or something like that, like or a JSON, whatever.
But well, we usually don't manage the size of like the thing that is on the file. We have something, write to a file and read it, and we get the same back.
No. But that's exactly the point. In this
Hmm.
particular case, Magetta is saying that we should store the size of the string as part of the information in the file, and then when you retrieve
Hmm.
both pieces of information. You know the size of it, and you know the content. I guess
Well,
that's important for the differentiation between char and varchar or whatever.
dude, if there is something about the size of it, well, that is a bunch of weird stuff here, Lamps. So let's suppose you're talking about a text file or something like that, like a CSV, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then we wouldn't really need those sizes because, well, we can have separators, right? So if you have those sizes, are probably because you are like writing bytes somewhere. And then we
No,
are talking about something harder.
no. I think you didn't get the main thing. So when
Mm.
we are doing something, like when you are doing whatever, like you have a string, I don't know, something. We need to read that from the disk and create the correct representation of this piece of data in regards to the database. So the question
Wait,
is,
can you repeat that last part?
yeah. So as far as I understand, what Magento wants is to read data from the disk and then like load that up in terms of the database representation.
In terms of the database representation.
Yeah, because this is a string inside a file, or actually this is actually bytes, right? So these are bunch of bytes, so random values,
Oh,
and we need to be able to read them and transform them to the correct representation, in which can be varchar or can be char. And I think that's why he wants to have the string stored alongside its size. It's because then we can just say, oh, the size is this, so this is a varchar, or this is
yeah,
a
that
char.
doesn't make sense because you couldn't tell a char from a varchar.
Wait, I didn't get your comment. Can you repeat that?
Yeah, you have a number there would not be enough because you would not be able to tell if it's a char or a varchar.
Well, no, I actually
They can
can
have the
with a
same
number.
size. No, they can have the same size.
Oh, you mean if one is like both
You
are
can
like
set,
8,000, whatever.
yeah, like both are 10. Like,
Yeah, I
so
see what
you
you mean.
see, dude, we don't know what we are doing regarding this.
That's very fair.
Let's parse.
Okay,
And
so
so if you want to, we can go with parser combinators again. We just have to find something not terrible. And well, I think we do have something.
I'm not necessarily in this part. In this one, I'm not particular about how we're gonna parse it. So I don't know. We can do parser generators
Uh,
to please you, I
s-
guess.
so can you search for like SQL syntax somewhere to see how it fits regarding what kind of grammar it is? Because that could limit us, right?
I think that for the three main um, Yeah, so I think we should.
Or we could just YOLO it, and if it can't parse something, we change the the method we are using, right? That sounds like a thing we could do.
Update SQL. So I think we should focus on having the three main ones, maybe. So
Okay,
we
and
have
what are those?
there are actually four, right? We have select,
Wait.
update,
Oh, okay.
delete, and insert. So
I think you
maybe
started with insert because it's the easiest, right? Right? It's
uh,
easier than select, I guess.
I think delete maybe the easiest one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Uh, Wait, but condition might not be as easy as you think,
Yeah, no,
right?
this can go very complicated, but in terms of being like this, the shortest one is the
Oh,
delete
like
one.
the first implementation, right?
Yeah. Anyway, we can go with the insert for now. That's not a problem.
Okay,
So
let's create the SD first.
yeah, the ST is already in here.
That's wrong, dude. That's just wrong. Look at what he said.
How are we diverging from the normie SQL? So far, nothing as far as I know. Okay, so
See?
let's do the language then.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, so let's have this at least as a base. We can change it to make sense for us later.
Sure.
So how does that work? So what should I do? Should I create a file just for this, for the ST?
For now, just use everything inside.
Oh, here we go.
No, dude. You can organize later, but we have to write some code, right?
Okay, so we have
By
this.
the way, that's one example of, uh, dude,
What?
know what the fuck you are doing, and then you put in the given place. Like if you start to creating files without thinking about the context first, then you might be doing something really bad.
Yeah, we are doing the opposite, right? We know the context. We have the main function in here, and we have another thing, and we are putting both in the same file. We are doing the opposite of being smart in this case.
What do you mean?
Yeah, we know this is things regarding EST. This should not live in the same file where the main function is. That doesn't require a lot of thought, I guess.
That's not what I meant exactly, but okay, let's go. So
Uh,
yeah, the first thing you will notice is that the syntax is not the same, dude. So you can't really use the code itself there.
no, yeah, I'm not. I know this is wrong, but I think, as far as I remember, they are more similar than different. So we could just make it right. So I remember that we also have modules from FractEmo. Actually, I think it's a good call to actually have FractEmo in here. So then I can remember how to do some things. So in here, uh, okay, so there's this. Oh, okay, I remember that. So how should we do that, Nathan?
Types. Start with the type statement, right?
Okay, so start with the type statement. So
Wait, can you write more than one statement at the time?
that's a very good question. I have no idea.
Well, anyway, let's start with statement, right? If we need something with multiple statements, we can just use an array or
Okay,
list, I
so
don't
we're
know.
gonna have a type called types. Called type, sorry.
We don't have that yet, dude.
Oh, so you want to just ignore the types that Magetta did and just
Well,
go for the AST of the expressions, I guess.
yeah, I wanted to parse something. For now, we don't need types.
Okay,
They live on the
so
schema, right?
we have the type expression, in which I actually don't remember. Well, this is how you make a record, right? I remember that. And then
Yeah.
here we are defining some APIs for the other people to use, so they don't have access to constructors and stuff.
Ah, well, yeah, kinda.
Yeah. Um, but how do I don't remember. Have we done? Did we do any like product slash some types before?
Well, it's almost the same thing, dude. Just remove the fields column stuff, and use a different case for the type itself, right? It's all lowercase.
Different case for the type itself. So you mean
Expression.
this?
Yes, yes, yes. And that's not expression. That's really statements, man.
Okay, so statement. So the constructor is capital letters, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this and thing here. So
Yeah,
what we're
you
gonna have,
probably don't need that.
what we're gonna have in our
That's
insert? We're gonna need a triplet, right?
I don't know. Let me just insert some message. Oh wait, let me see that first. Go to the page you have there. So we have a table name, we have possible column names, and we have values. That's it. Yeah,
So it's the triplet
indeed.
with maybe in the
Or
middle.
a record if you prefer.
So let's do it like a record. So can I infix a record in here?
I'm not sure if you can steal. Let's try it, right?
Okay, so we have table name. What is the convention? Camel case?
Snake, like in C, I guess. Snake case, right?
Okay, so it's the one that I don't like. It's
It's
the
the
one that
only one you don't like?
so
Wait, that's Rust also, right?
yeah, I also don't like that in Rust.
Like, nice.
So
Wait, in
options
English, is it column names or columns names? How?
in English, if you want to
Columns
say if
columns name?
yeah, if you want to say I want the names of the columns, so you say columns names. You say like that.
You have multiple columns and each column has multiple names because that would not be our case.
Um,
You see?
I want to say that we have columns and we have names.
No,
That's
no, but yeah, but we have three situations, right? Uh, we have a column and a name, like each of one. We have multiple columns, but each column has one name. That's our case. Or you can have multiple columns and each column has multiple names. I think that's what you are describing there.
okay. So you actually want to say column names.
I'm not sure. Isn't that one column with multiple names?
Let's go.
That's so
Let's
funny.
go with both in plural for now. Later we
Yeah, yeah,
change.
that's fair.
So I don't remember, but there's I think it's string list option. Is that how you do it?
Yeah.
And then we have the values, which are basically that's actually a good point. We need values.
Can you? Mm, yeah, we do need values. Lemus. My question is, do you need to really have all the length of values and column names? Do they need to match, or
Yeah.
can you just put column a few column names,
In
and then the
SQL,
first values has to match, and then the rest just goes in their normal order, right?
in
Because
SQL,
that sounds reasonable.
if you don't want to put all the names when defining the columns, you need to have the full values in the schema, as far as I remember.
Wait, can you repeat that?
Yeah. So let's suppose that you have 5 columns, right?
Okay.
But you want to populate only the first 2 of them, right?
Mm-hmm.
That will only work, as far as I know, if you have defined in the schema default values for the other 3.
Okay, but okay.
So if you don't have the full values, you need to write all the 5 of them, all 5 of them.
Yeah, but that was a bit of a silly question because we don't even need that to parse. Yeah.
No, but that's a
So
good question. That's actually a good question.
no, I mean, but not regard parsing.
Okay.
That's about what we will do with AST.
So
Yeah,
so
that's the thing. Regarding the values, we will not distinguish varchar and fixchar, and we don't even have. Oh wait, how do you say you will insert a UUID? Do you call some function? Because you don't will not have a notation for write one, right?
That's part of what I think what Mageta was trying to do. That's all this the
Hmm.
question that you said, like how do you know that and how do you know this and etc.
No,
That
I think we're talking about different things. Uh, those types that Mageta had. Wait. Where did you got those?
from here.
Um, literal. Oh, okay. So yeah, we are talking about the same. That's what should return, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So go on.
So I just picked that changed the L to V because instead of literal you're using value, which means that this is actually a value list, and that should be enough. Oops.
Yeah, just 1 second.
Is that gonna work? I have no idea. I have no idea at all.
So okay, yeah. So the first thing is the varchar and the fixchar. We can't know that that how can I say?
You
Well, we
can't
can't
know.
distinguish them
Yeah, you can't distinguish at this
uh,
moment.
just by the string, and I don't think you really want to distinguish with some piece of syntax or whatever, because what we want is a string, and then we match with some type what we would do with the st, right? And the other thing is the UUID. How do we how do how do we write one? I don't think you write one per se. You maybe call some function, right?
Yeah, you
In,
actually
in
probably
various
call
place.
a black box.
So should we add some function there, like native function or something on those value stuff?
I think we are going too far. We need to see if this actually works first.
Okay.
So how does that
But that would
works?
be it, right?
Yeah, so build. Okay, so is the thing separated by
Oh,
column
sorry.
commas?
That's the well, English they have weird names, but that's it. Semicolon, I
Semicolon.
guess.
Okay, so
Semicolon.
semicolon.
Yeah, weird separator. Oh
Okay,
shit.
so now we have a problem which is that
Yeah, let me
unused
give you a piece of code.
constructor.
Yeah, go to the Dune file and let me just see some OCaml project to steal a piece of code. Yeah.
We can steal from Factemo actually.
Oh yeah, we
The
maybe have that there, but I already pasted on the chat.
aims dev. What is that, dude?
Yeah, that's
So I just
so
pasted in
you
here.
yeah. So that's for you.
The fuck?
Oh wait, actually we should put that somewhere else, but we can change that later in a more like global place. That's so we don't have warnings to be errors by default. You see,
Oh.
we will not build if you are. Yeah, it's silly. I don't know.
Yeah, but this is our only warning. So is it working?
Well, I suppose it is. What is he even complaining about? Only unused stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are fine.
Okay. So okay, that works. Okay, so now
This is still wait. It is. Oh, you just built. You didn't run, right? Let's
yeah.
just try to run so we can see the hello world and see that things are working indeed. Nice.
Okay. So now the problem, right? We need
A parser.
a parser for this.
Oh, dude, we can do one by hand. That would be different, right?
We would, yeah, doing one by hand would be, we would finally be making a Lexer for the first time in our lives, I think.
Yeah. Well, not really for me, but yeah, on our projects indeed.
Yeah, we tried to escape doing that because, like,
Yeah.
we don't, we're not Zozing that has like orgasms doing Lexers for a living.
So that's up to you. If you want to like learn a bit more about doing by hand, recursive descent parser thing, or if you want to use parser generators or some parser combinator library.
Um, I am actually not. I'm more interested in the generators instead of doing the Elixir by hand because I watched Zozin doing that multiple times already.
The parser by hand?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fair. So we need to use something called man here.
Man, here, like
Like,
this.
no,
Oh,
no. Yeah,
okay.
I don't
So
know how
it's,
to pronounce that shit, but I wrote it in the
but
chat.
that's very hard. That's fine.
Yeah.
Which is actually a thing. Okay, so OCaml.
It's not a made up name, right?
Okay, so maybe this is the thing that we want. That's
Yep.
actually a good question. Wow, there's a.
That's the best parser generator there is, like, anywhere.
Okay, but OCaml people can't complain about the Haskell one then. That's this.
Huh? What do you mean?
Oh, required by. This is not the dependencies then.
I don't know what you mean, dude.
Oh, there are only 4 dependencies. It's written in here.
And take a look, man.
Those are many, many, many
No, no,
things, dude.
no. Manhi lib and SDK is just Manhi itself. It's just to so you can use in different ways, right? So it doesn't really count. And
Doesn't
well,
really count.
OCaml, no, it doesn't, dude. Like it's just the Manhi itself. It's just separate because that way you can use in a different way, right? Like calling as a lib instead of a binary and shit.
Okay, how
Um,
can we add that to this?
yeah, that's a bit complicated.
Really?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah, it is.
I'm so
It
sad.
is. Uh, so to start, you want to look into the Nix stuff, right?
Really?
Well, yeah, aren't you using Nix? You have to manage the thing there, all right?
No,
So we'll come your package and
that's not
shit.
how the thing works actually.
What?
Yeah, when we did in Haskell, for instance, to add a library, you don't mess around with the Nix stuff,
No,
dude.
no, but we should. You see?
We should. I don't know about
Yeah.
that.
Because you can run Nix and have everything, dude. You don't have to mess with some specific OCaml stuff.
Well, I guess that's convenient, but that may bottleneck us. But let's see.
How so?
Because I don't know Nix that much.
Wow, I think we can manage. Like you have other packages there already. Dude. Just look for man here there. Yeah, we have an N before the H. Oh, look at that.
There are 3 of them.
No, no, just the first. Dude.
So runtime support. Okay, so let's do what you suggested. So this one. So
Yep.
is this? Are we already using that actually? Um,
What do you mean?
we are. It is already like predefined with OCaml package. So we just put main here.
Yeah, can you explain something? Why
Sure.
are you? Is that concatenation? What is
Yeah,
this
it's
plus plus?
concatenation.
Why do you have two different lists, man?
Because one
Oh,
is for the
one like
basic
that.
things, and another one is for the specific OCaml ones.
What? OCaml and OCaml format are specific OCaml things.
No, they are OCaml. Those are like, how can I explain this?
Like dev instead of like actually needs to be on the binary.
Let's not talk about in that level because I
Like
think it's gonna get more
different
confusing.
environments.
I think it's basically to separate the hierarchy, right? So these are actually the tools to use
Oh, so
OCaml.
that's just like logical stuff,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, so that doesn't make much sense because Dune is not there. Well,
Um,
OCaml SP should be there, ODoc should be there, and also many made should be there.
no, they
Not
they
sure.
are not logically in the same group because these 2 things are like the main umbrellas because they are coming only from packages, and these other things are actually under
Wow,
a smaller
OCaml.
umbrella, which is the
Oh,
OCaml packages umbrella.
oh, okay, I see, I see. Yeah, it's not only logical in the sense of we want that way, but because of that OCaml packages, right?
Yeah, you could just do like OCaml, OCaml format, OCaml packages.dune, OCaml packages.odoc, and so on. You could do that.
Oh, okay, yeah, now I got it. It's something we need. It's not because we want that way.
No, no, no. It is because we want. Like I said, we could just do OCaml
No, no,
packages.
yeah, I got it, but I
We could.
mean, we don't really want that.
Yeah, we want to have things a little bit more like logically separated
Yeah,
and
namespaces, right?
Nix separated as well. So let's
Okay.
do exit and then let's do Nix develop again and see what happens.
So let me try to. Yeah, that's not nearly enough for you
Okay,
to have many to use.
okay, so it
Uh,
worked though. We do have it in the Nix develop environment. Now we need to add to Dune, I think, right?
well, let me
Or whatever
uh,
open is.
find the project. Uh, uh,
Yeah, isn't it?
yeah,
Isn't this?
let's take this project here to, to see as an example.
Okay, so let's see the system F.
The first thing you can start is by Dune project.
Oh, Dune project. Okay.
Yeah, you need this using man here.
Okay, so you go to Dune project and then you put in whatever, I guess. Okay.
Well, you can put just right after Lang, but okay. Uh,
Oh, me up there.
yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
What
oh,
is the
I don't know
second one?
from where he got that, but that's actually how it should be. That's nice. Maybe generated from Dune.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, so again, I'm not sure if you will need that, but sure is a good addition you put on the depends there on also Dune project.
Depends.
Yeah,
Oh,
go on the Dune
oh,
on ours,
oh,
our
ours.
Dune project. Yeah. So you see that you have there the third thing. No, 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 project. Dune project.
In here?
Yeah, you see there that you have generate open files.
Yeah.
For some bad reasons, you need the open file, even if you don't want to distribute the thing. And yeah, that sounds really bad, and I guess it is. Uh, but the option that you have is to write everything they do in the project, and then because you have generate open files, when you build, he will update the open files. You don't need to manage it by yourself.
Oh, okay.
So you can use depends there on package. You have the package, like yeah, there, and you have depends. Yeah.
Okay.
Not I have no idea if you need to write that way or there is some like order name that you have to write there, but let's test, right?
Okay, but what about the other
Yeah, then
thing?
Dune. You have to go to the Dune file.
And probably not
Uh
this one.
yeah.
This.
Yeah, so you have those.
Okay, so let's do the parser in here actually.
Yeah, makes a lot of sense.
So let's do
Oh yeah, we are
parser.
doing on yeah, we are doing on main. We are not only on the not file that it will be, but also not on the project that it will be, right?
Yeah, but
That
I
also supposed to be in lib.
I mentioned that already.
Uh,
ASTML.
uh,
So let's grab all of those and let's just put it in here.
yeah, so go to the Dune file. So yeah, you see that modules parser? That's saying, oh, my special file, it's that one called parser. That's is the one that I will do some transformation before of .mly, that is the special file, to a .ml, right? So yeah, it needs to be exactly this name, parser, but you need .mly. Well, not sure if it needs to, but that way we know it's the parser file.
Well, I remember we also had that in
No,
Fractamo, but
no,
I don't remember the
why?
difference. Why?
Yeah.
Uh, uh, let me.
I is for interface.
Okay, so why you mean this?
Yes. Wait, that's
Weird.
why, right?
Yeah, that's why.
Oh, okay. For a second, I. Yeah. So, yeah, if you think that for installing is complicated, uh, it also requires some setup, right?
Yeah, yeah. Stack is not so bad after all. That's the conclusion. Anyway, go on.
Huh?
Yeah,
What?
stack is not so bad after all. That's the conclusion.
Uh, no, no. For installing that was not much trouble, right?
Well, we already had the Nix file ready to go, so.
No, no. I mean, the only thing there that was Nix was adding the name on .nix. But well, instead of that, you would just write in a different file if you were not using Nix. But I mean, besides that part that I don't think it was hard, but yes, it is bad, not like Rust. For writing the actual file, you have some specific syntax that you just don't really know by head unless you do parsers every day, right? So we have to take a look on system F for the documentation. Yeah, the examples are better. And the other thing is we need the OCaml lex, right? That's the parser, but we also need the uh, tokenizer. What is the lexer? Yes.
Lexer. Okay, so can you explain to me what would be the contents inside these two files?
You don't need the parser.ml. This will be generated to you.
Oh, so the generation of the parser will be not only in runtime. I will be able to see it as well.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Well, I think you need some configuration. You can take a look on systemf. But yeah, you might need some configuration to see the output and some helpful debug stuff.
Okay, so can you explain to me what you usually put in .mly files?
Yeah, you can take a look on the example. Like it's a weird syntax. So there, the first thing you have is something called a header. Like go to the first lines.
Oh, I remember this from my when I
So
did in Haskell. Oh
so
man, it's
yeah,
so
that's
ugly. I
like.
hate it.
What do you mean, dude? That's a lot better than doing some stuff, man. Uh, but yeah, it's not the most beautiful stuff, but yeah, we can live with it. So the first lines, right? So we have this, like that's the header. You can put actual camel code there, defining helpers, open namespaces, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you can declare the tokens, and I guess it's fair to ask why we are declaring tokens on the parser and not on the
The Lexer.
lexer,
Yeah.
right? Uh, I don't think I remember 100% of that. Uh, yeah, but it's just because the way it's done, it's not how the mental model is. You have the pipeline of Lexer to the parser and stuff. It's not quite like this there. Uh, it is more like you generate something with the Lexer and you parse that for inside the parser. Because instead, I guess, I'm just supposing here, but I think that instead of doing the Lexer and then the parser, it's kind of lazy, the Lexer, and the parser will just like consuming at will with some kind of lazy thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, but I'm just assuming. So anyway, tokens, and then you have the start there. That's the entry point,
I have
right?
a question.
Mm-hmm.
I think we need to put namespace in things, or the file is already a namespace.
Yeah, the file is a module.
Okay, so this explains why we have this is like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so then we have the tokens, which is fine.
Yeah.
Question. So what happens in the tokenizer? Do you have to write this yourself?
Sure.
Yeah, yeah, this is actually not okay. Okay, I was expecting a little bit more fancy generators, but that's okay.
What do you think? You have to define what the token will be. He doesn't have a way to know it.
No, but I mean, it could be like instead of doing separately like this, you could do just like I don't know, token and then the name and then the char after, you know.
No, no, that's because they are separate things, so you can mix and match. I'm using
Oh.
OCaml Lex, but I could be using something else. You see,
Oh, okay, okay, that makes more sense.
to change stuff. Uh, but yeah, you can copy and paste the files for now, and we just go changing stuff. It's a lot easier, right?
Yeah, probably. Okay, so this is the parser.
And yeah, we also have to update Dune and Dune project with the Lexer stuff.
And then we have, oh yeah, but I think we forgot to answer. So what do you usually put in .mly files?
Well, that's what you just saw on SystemF.
Wait, so the
Parser.mly.
OCaml has a specific extension just to put the parser generator things? Okay.
Well, I wouldn't say it's OCaml, you see?
Oh, so it's
Maybe it's a
using.
convention. No,
Oh,
no, it's
it's a convention.
a convention of the lib, you see? Of Menhi, of Lex, of OCaml Lex, you see? Well, OCaml Lex is OCaml itself.
That's
Yeah, it's
very
from the
weird.
standard library, I guess.
Okay, so there are conventions in which you change the extensions of the files depending on the content of the file.
It's because they are not OCaml code. They are a DSL. It just looks like OCaml.
Oh, that explains it. So it is
Oh yeah,
just.
maybe I should have been more explicit about.
Okay, so they just look like it, but they are not. Okay, okay, okay,
Oh yeah, they are not.
okay.
Those parts on the headers,
They are.
they are OCaml.
Yeah, but the last of it is just a
Yeah,
fancy DSL.
yeah,
Okay. Uh,
yeah. I don't think you need to put on Dune project the OCaml lags. You can check on SystemF just to be sure, but I think it already comes with OCaml.
no.
No, no, Dune project. I mean.
Yeah, this is Doom Project.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. On this case, I'm not using what you guys are using. I'm using the easy, right? So go to package JSON. Yeah, you don't see OCaml Lex there, right?
Yeah, no.
So yeah, we don't need to add on or Nix or
Yeah,
Dune
okay.
project. Just
Okay.
on Dune file.
Okay, so now we have to go to the Dune one.
Yeah,
Okay,
so OCaml Lex
this.
Lexer, right?
What are the chances that Magetta will come and cringe? Very hard.
Oh yeah, I would say that it's very likely. See?
Okay, so let's go. Do you want to go one by one in here and just keep go changing the things?
I don't know what you mean.
Yeah, because this is for System F, right?
Yeah,
So we need to change this.
yeah.
So let's go line by line and change it. So integers and strings. I think we don't need shoe tokens, do we?
Wait, can you? Yeah, we we don't.
At least not for
Yeah, those
now.
are. Yeah, we just want numbers and strings for now, right?
Yeah. Uh, okay.
Nice.
T-int. Is this the type of an integer?
I guess so. It's a bit weird. No, no, I guess it's fine, right? Like values, types, and like normal keywords. Yes. So yeah, you can just delete that.
Um,
And then we have the keywords that we need.
how do are you doing? Oh, you're doing left param. You're gonna need those as well. You're gonna need those, so we're gonna keep them. We have some keywords. So one of the keywords that we are interested in is insert.
Mhm.
So what do we need? We need the values as well. Um,
Into, right?
we need insert into.
And that's almost all. You have comma, I guess.
Yeah, we do have comma. Do we have comma in here already? No, let's replace the column.
For some weird reason, my language doesn't have a comma. I guess that's it,
So,
right?
semicolon.
Oh, yeah.
Semi semicolon. And I guess it would be very interesting to do um, Lexer. No, Lexer. Yeah, and then we just change here as well. So int, you do int. That's exactly what we need. Where is the identifiers? Okay, so they are here. So let's put this up here.
Ah,
String.
wait, no, wait. Yeah, those identifiers are not strings, you see?
Wait,
They don't
what?
have the quotes.
Those identifiers are not strings. Do
Yeah, they were name
we
of
need the quotes.
variables.
We need the quotes.
Yes, so
So how do you do the quotes in this thing?
I can get you some piece of code, but I don't think I have there.
Okay, that's fine.
So let me get it.
So insert, um, into, oops,
That
values.
is. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Take a look on the syntax that you are using, dude. Those are chars, right?
Yeah, I
Strings are
notice. I notice.
okay.
Thank you for making me aware. Um, and we also need. Oh no,
Wait.
now we are done actually. So
Oh, okay. I
now
see.
we put comma. So comma. We also need to put the semicolon. Semicolon. And the left paren and other things. Well, we're gonna have to add asterisk later as well, but I'm gonna remove everything that we don't need. What is white, by the way?
Hmm?
White.
It is defined there.
Oh, it is the empty space.
Yeah, we need those.
We need those. I think we're done actually. We just need to do the string thing. Did you get the line with the quotes?
Not yet. Oh shit. What the fuck? Do you need all of that for a string? Whoa.
That's not a good sign.
Yeah, not. That's crazy. Take a look at that. You can click on recursive rules.
Is this the string?
No. The whole thing is how to read the string.
This is a string?
You see? You see what I mean?
Yeah, that's bad.
Let me just check.
That's bad.
Cause yeah, I think that's it, but yeah.
Oh, I can't put this here, can I? Oh no, I can. Okay, it is in the same weird DSL, I guess. So how do
Yeah,
you
yeah. I
put?
suppose you can put after. You see the end there? That's
Yeah,
usually like mutually recursive, right?
yeah.
Because we are nice people. We don't want that by default like some folks do. Let me see.
Okay, so how do I do that? Do I just call the thing in here inside the parentheses?
Wait.
How does that work? I'm gonna guess very hard right now. String. Yeah, that's my guess.
You probably have a good guess, dude.
Uh,
Oh yeah, sorry, but yeah, that's actually not a good guess. So you see what is on the left side of that line, like
yeah.
just a string. That's not defined up there. You see, that's the pattern that you should match to execute the code on the right.
Can you repeat that?
Yeah, a string there. It's
This
the
one?
pattern. Yes, that you
Okay.
need to
Yeah,
match
because there's one
to
here as well.
return the given. Oh yeah. So you see that. Oh wait. What the fuck, dude? Yeah. So yeah, try to use that as read string.
Wait, I'm confused. Where should I put read string?
Where you have all lowercase string, use read string.
In here?
Yes.
And just nuke
And
this?
no.
Okay.
At least wait. Actually, I'm not sure, dude. That's a great question. But I don't know.
You don't know!
Uh, I don't
Then you're
really know.
screwed.
Let me just take a look on the site.
Read string. Oh, it is like this.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah, but it's not exactly what we
Oh.
need actually.
Wait, what do you mean? It's exactly what we need.
Yeah, but what is this 17 doing?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
I don't know. Maybe it's the maximum. I don't know. But yeah, that's exactly what we want.
What is this? What
So
is going on with the
yeah.
17?
So he sees a double quote and then he executes that other code, right? That other rule.
I'm gonna put it in here.
But yeah, we were really far, right?
Yeah, very far.
Uh,
But I'm really curious about the 17.
well, we can read somewhere, right? Yeah, maybe he's mm, Lexbuff. Lexbuff that defines the input, include the position in the input file. Yeah, go back. I think he explains one by one.
Where?
Like, just go down. He's saying the first white, red Lexbuff, and oh, then you went too much. You see, he's explaining int there, so he might be explaining one by one.
No, I don't think so because the next thing is unused lexing values.
Oh, you only had white and int? That was the only ones that. Oh shit. Yeah.
Yeah. So the
Shit.
17s will be a mystery forever.
Well, he does say on the recursive rules, right? Maybe he's explaining much better and we are just not reading.
Okay, so buffer create. Okay, so he's not mentioning this anywhere.
Okay.
Okay, so for now let's just ignore that and let's just assume that it works.
17.
17. Let's continue doing our thing in here. So as far as I can tell, this is defining. This is defining
Five.
mapping the type inside, but in our case it's not this, it's a statement.
Nice.
And then in here we have not a program actually. We have a query.
Oh.
Not a query, right? Because sometimes you're not doing
No.
select.
Yeah, not a query, but probably you want a different name from a statement for a statement to be inside. Because, I don't
Mm,
know, you might get some other things, right?
well, this is gonna be our language. You can name it with whatever, right?
No, sure, but it's good if it makes sense to us, right? So let's use a statement for now. Let's suppose it's our higher thing,
Okay.
right? So it's either EOF, in this case is none, or it does have some E. Now it probably should be S, and end of file. And I mean, do we want this to be an option? Yeah, I guess we do.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
do because if you try to compile like an empty file, it should go fine, I guess.
Yeah, it will be an error, but we can give that error not on the parser. We can give on what is calling the parser.
Yeah.
Uh,
Then we have the expression with we just replace with x statement with statement or s in this
mm,
case, right?
no, 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 no. Wait, just go back, go back. Before that was. Wait, can you go back a bit more where you change it there? Yeah, okay, okay. So what I said for, yeah. So you see the equal, right? What is on the left side of the equals is the name that we are binding. You
Yeah.
see?
Mhm.
So we can use on what we are returning on the brackets, right?
Mhm.
So that's what I was saying. Oh, that might be should that maybe should be called S now, but not really. Wait, just a bit, dude. Yeah, that can be called a statement because the statement will be that one where you are. Yeah, call something else. I don't know, file. The the higher one, right? The entry point itself. Okay. So yeah, nice, nice, nice. Now we have a statement. So yeah,
Okay, so what is the semantics of the semicolon? Blank space
and
and okay. Um,
well, you don't have white space, right? Because you are ignoring all of them. That's not the space sensitive language like some some language that some people use, right?
okay, so it is already ignoring all the blank spaces.
Yes.
Okay. So in this particular case, we only want. Okay, I think I know what we want. We want insert, um, then separate. Then we want into. Then we need a string. How do we do the string?
Wow. Just as you are doing there, like you have ident, and if it carries something, you can bind there, right?
Like that.
Yes.
There's a problem though.
And that is
Um, but because when we were doing the lexer, we were also like mapping these keywords to things, right? We
what?
just yeah. So if you take a look on the lexer, um, what the? I have no idea what's happening there. Um, I want to go to the left. My email.
Oh,
Oh,
undefined.
no, I have caps lock on. So do you see here that we have like I don't know. I removed the ones with the identifiers, right? But the identifiers they had like a mapping here as well. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So then the question is, are we okay not having this mapping with
Yeah,
a
we
string?
are. Go to your second rule on the lexer and look at the first pattern.
Oops. You mean
So
this?
you see the first no. Second rule, read string, like
Yeah,
where
I
is
mean,
defined. Yeah, and then the first pattern, the first,
oh, string. Okay, see. I
and
was
the
not aware of
content,
that.
right?
Okay. So then we pick the string, then we pick the values. So values.
Wait, what?
Yeah, we pick the insert, the into, the name. Oh, now we need the fields, right? Sorry. So before the values, we need a thing in here. So what do we need? We need left parens.
Well, kinda. It will be one of both, right?
No, but for now we are making it.
The first one, but I
Yeah,
mean, we will have both, right?
yeah, we will have both. How do you make the thing optional though?
Uh, that's a good question. I can take a look. But one way indeed would be just repeat, as I was thinking initially. Let me get the official parser. It sounds better if you don't repeat a bunch of stuff, right?
And we also need lists, dude. Like
Yeah,
many.
we need this. Let me take a look. Man here docs. Wow, we have a reference manual. Guess that's enough. Uh, wait, are you waiting for me to
Yeah?
go with the rest, dude?
No, 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 but the rest is like when we do the left parens one, I'm gonna just put some silly notation here just to be clear. After we finish this, no, not this.
I'm not
This.
sure if you can do that.
No, no, we can't. You can't probably. I'm just making that up just for it to be clear. Then you put values, and then we need another list. So everything will go away, and then that's it.
Okay, so I'm taking a
So I'm
look
gonna
here,
put
and I will
here.
send you the link just if you can.
We're gonna have two
If,
groups, and then I'm assuming that what comes after is actually the ADT or the record or whatever. Is that
yeah,
correct?
yeah, like
Okay.
what you are returning, right?
Okay, so we're gonna actually return AST dot statement, right? And then we're gonna have table name. Oops, table name. And I just noticed that we should name this something better, so like I don't know, table name.
I guess you can use punning.
What is that?
Dude, why are you using this convention, man?
Uh, what which convention, dude?
Uh, I forgot the name. But the name convention, take a look on table name that you
No,
wrote.
because we have table names twice. Can I just do repeat like that?
Uh, well, to start, you can, because the left one on the record, it's not a identifier that you are using.
Yeah.
And the punning that I was saying is you can just type table name just once, even without equals, I guess.
Oh, I remember that feature from back in the day. That's actually pretty good. So we're gonna do like this.
You just don't see that in Haskell because you guys don't have proper records.
No, that's not actually not true. You can do in Haskell as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
when you what's the name?
Yeah, but it's not this
When
fancy
you
though.
allow that extension that makes more sane records.
No, no, no. Not even. You don't even need to add an extension.
Hmm.
You can do just
Oh,
like.
because they are positional,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Yeah, so yeah, that's bad.
Yeah, it's
But
not as good as this one because this one has the names included.
it's not
So.
as good as anyone. Just typically.
Well, it needs to be great at this because the environment sucks.
It would to be very, very bad to be worse than Haskell regarding records, dude. Oh. Oh, that's. Wait, what the fuck am I seeing here? Mm, do we define that? Oh, no, it's on the standard library. Apparently, you just wrap it with something called option. And, well, let me just send it to you, right? That it is like defining. Oh, what the? Yeah, that it is defining, but you can use it that way, I guess, right?
Wait, do you mean that I can just put option in here?
Uh, 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 I guess so.
Okay, now we need to do the list stand, the many. We need the
Yeah,
many
it's
now.
probably just list, you see? the same way, but list, I guess.
Oh, really?
I
So
don't know. I'm assuming.
how do you? Okay, but okay. So then we're gonna do list.
What the fuck are those parentheses, man?
Yeah, this is the parenthesis for the option that you just showed me.
Oh, okay. No, yeah, I understood wrong. Mm, mm. Yeah,
S-
I'm not sure if that will work or if you need to declare something separate, but let's try it, right?
Okay. So then this list will be composed out of
Oh,
I don't know, a name,
that's cool.
and then we do string,
Huh.
and then we need a
That's
comma. So comma, and then that's it, I guess.
that's actually pretty fucking cool. Take a look at that, dude.
What?
Oh, that looks
You
nice.
sent you seen the link?
It's just sent.
What you just sent? Is the
It's
syntax
a
sugar
it's a
for option list? Oh, so they are using kind of the convention of the grammar of silverware. So we copied from
no
them,
no 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 no
not
no 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 no
not
no no.
knowing it.
Take a look on the last line.
Syntax sugar for simulating regular expressions, also known as.
Extended Bacchus now form or something like it.
Yeah, 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 but I'm
So
not. I'm not
that's where
saying.
I was basing that syntax on.
Yeah, yeah, but I'm not saying that they copied from us. I said that we copied from them. I said that.
Oh yeah, not exactly from them, but yeah, from the same place.
Yeah.
But I don't know, they might have copied from us. I wouldn't be sure without looking at the Git history from them.
What the?
No, I don't know.
Very unlikely. Anyway. So, but we have a problem. We have a problem.
Well, I guess we have many. So,
Because as far as I can tell, this is parsing like left parent, and it is requiring to have the string and the comma, but the last one doesn't have the comma.
oh, that's interesting. That's very, very, very interesting.
So how we need to parse the first one, and then we do like that, and then we do comma, uh, like this.
Uh, what about using the following?
Did you make that before? No, of course.
Do you really have to ask that? Oh wait, I send it again. But that is something I want to send here. Yeah, here. Yeah, take a look at this last image.
Okay.
He's defining there, but you can see how you can use it, right?
He's
Like
defining.
separated, non-empty list. This non-empty should be separated, I guess. But you see, you pass the separator and then whatever.
Okay, so we actually want left parens, whatever, and then separate. Oops, separated. Is this like an intrinsic of this what DSL or
Yeah,
whatever?
like from the standard library.
Oh, okay. Non-empty list, and then
I
we
fixed
do
it there, dude.
comma, and then oh, but I don't. I only have the image open right now. Comma and
Oh,
then string. Yeah, comma and then string. Is that it? No. We need to do the
ah,
same. We need to do the same thing with the. We need to copy this,
hmm?
but without the.
Oh, values, right?
Yeah. So without the parentheses
Wait,
because it's not optional. So comma blah blah blah
no, no,
blah,
no, wait. That is a bunch of things wrong.
and then we're
Now
gonna
that I
have to
see,
we're gonna have to put value in
dude,
here or something.
sorry for not noticing that before, but there is no token values.
Yeah, we're gonna have to make one.
Values is not a token.
Oh wait, value is not a token. What do you mean?
It's not supposed to be a token.
Oh, values is a parser, right?
Well, yeah.
Okay. So we don't need that.
Value is a parser.
Oh no. Values is a token. This is a token.
No. Oh fuck! Yeah, it is a token, but
I was
You
confused.
understand what I said, right?
Yeah.
Like we need tokens for the literals.
We need tokens for the literals, yeah.
Oh, okay. They are the fucking int and string and shit.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we need
Oh,
actually
makes
to
sense.
make that. So I'm assuming you're gonna do value equal this.
Um,
Yeah, because you're
by
gonna
the
have
way,
to.
can you show me the syntax again from what you are trying to parse? Dude, uh, I don't think that table name and column names, they have the quote, dude. They
No,
are just the identifier, right?
um,
Can you see an actual example?
you're right. I don't need to see an example.
Only the values have strings, right? So we also need the identifier.
So let's steal from your thing again.
And now you can set whatever, what is the name? Whatever convention you want from what makes an identifier in that language, right?
No, but for now we don't care.
No, let's just use what was there, right?
Yeah, but we need to redefine the token in this thing. So we actually have um, token ident. Okay, and then
Wait,
this.
it carries something, right? So you need the bracket and stuff.
Wait, so what? Sorry.
It carries something.
Oh, it carries a string, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we have the insert, the into, then the identifier for the table, the name table. This is wrong actually. This is not a string. This is value. No, wait.
No, that's ident.
Identifier. Actually, this one I'm curious. I don't remember. Let's check. Yeah, identifiers only. Okay. Um. So now what we need to do? Semicolon. Okay. Can I break lines in this thing?
I guess.
Okay. Please. Yeah. I don't think I can because, well, maybe Emacs doesn't know how to format this thing. Okay, so now the problem is that we need to define the parser for values, right? So how does that work? Um, we have int, right? And we can have also string, right? Is that it? Do we need to do anything else?
Wait, I'm not seeing it. Just a sec.
Oh, no, this is not it. I was wrong. Cool. So you need to do like that. Thank you, Past Nathan. As values.
That's not like I'm right here, right?
No, but you are current, Nathan.
Okay.
V integer I. I'm assuming, and then ast v string s,
Okay, I'm back.
and then we can just screw it. There. Okay. Do you think this is right?
Uh, what exactly? Value?
Yeah.
So either an int or a string. It couldn't be simpler, right? Well, actually could, but yeah, I guess that's it. I don't think we are missing anything. So you just use it there, value, right?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
using it in here.
and that looks good.
Okay, so I think we're good. So how do we test it? I guess we go to main. We need to do the
Yeah.
open stuff, I guess. Open something.
Ah, that is something else, Lance. That's also not as simple as it.
It gets worse.
No, it's not. It gets worse, dude. Go to the link. Go go to the link about, yeah. No, the real world OCaml.
This?
Yeah, no, before that. Yeah, go to bringing it all together. Yeah, you have some boilerplate there, right?
Uh,
Like the parse.
okay, parse with error. So do you have Alex buff? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we don't need all of
I think we
that.
do.
Uh,
Because the other one is basically doing the metadata for the position, I guess.
no, no. For example, he's passing error. He's passing a. Wait, can you like give it a the zoom? I don't know if he's using underscore or there is. Oh, yeah. I almost can't see the underscore on parse with error. But
Oh, but there is
sure.
the underscore is there. Yeah, we're gonna need this.
Yeah, again, we don't need all of this, but go
Where
ahead.
exactly this is gonna live? I'm gonna put in parser.ml.
Let me see.
Okay.
No, you can't put there on parser.ml. That is a file that will be generated. It
Oh,
will
oh, that's
overwrite
right,
this
that's
one.
right, that's right. I forgot about that. So where this lives?
If you really want to think about it,
Let's
mm,
let's put in
that's
the AST for now.
that's an interesting question. But indeed, you don't need to think about that right now.
Um. Okay, so the question now becomes parse error. I'm assuming this is just a buffer, like a string buffer, right?
Like, sorry, wait a second. Uh, ah, okay. Yeah, you had to scroll a bit more. Yeah, I was finding strange that we are lacking some stuff. Like, how do you create the Lex buff, right? We can create from some, I guess, yeah, they call it channel. It could be the standard standard in, std in, or some file. I don't know. You create from something.
You're talking about this code?
Yeah,
Let me think about that. So there's another function called parse and print.
yeah. So just
There's okay, so there's a bunch of boilerplate.
yeah. So copy and again, we don't need all of that for now. Just copy and paste that, and let's delete a bunch of stuff. Well, one thing we know is that we need a parse function, right?
Yeah, and this does
So
not live
that
in
thing
here.
there, yeah, that would be on the binary. So we don't need that thing. And I not even sure if I know what the fuck that's doing, man. But yeah, we probably can't even build that.
Yeah,
Uh,
this is doing some fancy, like
yeah, this
probably,
command is probably from a library called base,
yeah,
the
it's
most
probably
basic
saying like
library out there.
this is probably like a help or whatever.
Yeah, so go back there. Okay, so wait, what is parse?
But it's not in here.
Oh, you only have
I
these.
think it only has
Oh,
parse
yeah,
and print.
parse and print. Okay, so let's change the shit to parse, or if you want, you can stay with that for debugging, right?
Yeah, let's stay with this. Let's stay with this.
Uh,
I think we are
load.
good to go actually, because the function
Wait,
that is being called
let
is
me.
loop,
mm,
and the loop takes file name. It creates the Lex buff using the channel that you just mentioned. I have no idea
Yeah,
what this is. I don't recall. What is the
that's
left
just
arrow do?
mutation.
Oh, mutation. Okay.
That's mutation.
Yeah. Now. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, don't we want it to be like a REPL instead of giving a file name? But we could use that like right now if you want, right?
Yeah, I think we should do that.
Yeah, let's try.
Okay. So, um, examples. No.
Wait. A file loop file name in channel create. File. What the?
What is the name of
Oh,
this thing?
of what?
Camel for Camelot.
Examples.
So we want insert into I don't know car, and then we put the thing
By the way, I don't know how he's printing that. Either he has a, a toString function,
brand
or he's
here
deriving stuff. In that case, we probably would need to install things.
probably. So the let's put
No, for sure, actually.
the brand. Let's put. Oh man, I don't know brand cars. I don't know why I chose car theme.
I don't know, just put A, dude.
Let's put the brand ABC from Agito. That's not here. And let's put it as a car from 2022. And okay. So now
Nice.
we need to discover if this works. I'm gonna put
No,
2% of
that.
chance.
Yeah, I would put 0. Hmm?
It's not doing build? It is.
Wait, where are you?
Oh, I
Oh,
am in
you're
the wrong I am in the wrong thing. Okay.
for a moment.
For a moment.
Yeah.
For a moment. Okay,
New
so
form prediction. Yeah,
line
it's probably
28.
complaining about some. Did you use it some extra parentheses somewhere?
No. I'm just using parentheses for the option.
Okay, can you not break the line then?
Yeah.
That would be silly, but I don't know.
But that's a fair
I
guess.
don't think so. Oh, okay, yeah, it's a fair guess, but not a
No.
fair thing to have on the.
Yeah, definitely not a fair thing to have.
Okay, so
After and
let's take a look.
before.
Right parents.
Is this how
Huh.
you do the option thing? Are you sure?
Well, of course I'm not sure, but it is very. Oh, calling you say right. Oh, dude, it's a comma, not a semicolon.
Where?
Oh no no wait. Uh. Oh okay yeah. Everything that is inside an option, let's extract somewhere else. I guess that's the problem.
Okay, so um identifiers.
Table names, right?
Like that.
Wait. I'm not sure, but break a line and use the. Wait. Yeah, we are like some stuff. We need to return something on the right side of those things, right?
I'm confused. What do you mean?
Identifiers that it probably needs to have a better name, like table names, because they are
This is
not
not a
just.
table names.
It is not.
No, I think you
Oh,
want to say table
column names. I mean,
fields.
yeah, but it is what you are calling column names on the other one.
Yeah.
Anyway, uh, the thing is, you see, you have to return something that is between brackets on the right side.
Yeah, I think you mean doing like that.
Yeah, and yeah, so you need a bind there, right? On the separated non-empty list, comma ident.
Mm,
What is the F for?
fields.
Oh, okay. Ah, yeah, that's the guess that I would do. That's exactly the guess that I would do. That's
I
right.
think we need to do the same thing for the values themselves.
Huh?
Yeah, because they are also doing left
Oh,
paren, stuff.
no, 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 no. Wait.
It's not gonna hurt. I
We
think it's fine.
no, no, that's not it. Dude, we might. Yeah, we are very fucking dumb, dude. We don't need commas and stuff inside those things.
Como? What do you mean?
Yeah, so go back.
Go back to where?
Well, to where the values were before. Like Control Z, that's what I mean by go back.
Oh no, 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 I just finished. No, don't do.
Well, can't you like go forward if you need to? Aren't you
Sure, sure, I can do
well,
that.
then go back, dude.
I don't understand why, but you. Okay, don't understand why.
So you see there that you have values equal to a bunch of stuff.
Yeah,
That doesn't make any sense, right?
I don't know.
Y- Well, you can use just left parens,
And put
then
values here.
values equal, yes. And that case should work. But the case that we have had before was not that the problem, right? No, that was also the problem, right?
Yes. We
Yes.
can
So
try to fix for both. So let me pick. I actually prefer having separate things because then I don't know, it's easier to read for me.
abstracted, right?
But in this particular case, column names.
No, no. The thing is, those things like left parens, oh, because they are also optional, right? Oh yeah, they need to be a separate thing then.
Oh yeah, they are also optional. You're right.
Yeah.
Um, oh, the name is wrong. So table fields.
No, let's try it. Hmm?
What?
What?
Hmm.
Oh, what? Can you
Right
go up a bit?
parens. Line
I don't think
29.
we defined the token then.
Oh, it's right paren.
Oh.
Um, that, and that.
Wait, but he complained about the right one first?
Yeah.
What?
Woo!
Definite cycle between a bunch of stuff. And
A bunch of stuff.
goes. Uh, uh, uh. Mm, mm, mm. I'm supposing that's just the parser. Yeah, it starts with parser, and the others are a bunch of shit. Okay, so let's go to the parser. I suppose he's not talking about the rules. That would be very sad. But we are open AST because we do need that. So go to the AST. Oh, you're importing parser in the AST, right?
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So you can't do that.
Okay, so we need another file just for this. Oops.
Yeah.
So let's see. Hmm. Okay, brilliant idea. Parse.ml.
Okay.
Parse, and then we can pick all of those. Uh, no.
Mmm. Wait.
Okay. Next error, please. Unbound value.
Where?
Parse.
Parser.ml. Aren't we? Well, we are opening that, right? So
Yeah. Unbound
wait.
value statement. Do we
We
have to
even
export stuff from here?
no. Uh, are we writing correctly in both places?
Statement. Yeah.
Try to forget about this. Oh, okay. I guess I'm using AST dot statement because of
No, you're using dot
oh
x
because of the
dot whatever.
module. But we are opening the module, so we might need that. But it would conflict with the other statement, maybe. I don't know. Uh, that's the only place you are using that, right?
What is the line that is complaining, by the way? Line 31. Oh, it's in here. Oh, this is wrong. Insert. Cool. Line 2, unused open.
Okay, that's about the warnings.
Oh, that's the warning thing again?
Yeah.
So how do we fix that?
Wow, do the same on that unifier.
Uh,
Or actually, let
no,
me
not this
get you a
file,
better
this one.
solution.
Oh, yeah, you're talking about grabbing this.
Yeah, but let me just give you a better one so we don't need to do that every fucking time, dude.
Okay, open core. So unused, no, unbound module core. So we need to install stuff.
No.
No. Okay, so I don't know.
Where did you get this car from? From which code?
From the
Oh, from
guys.
the site code, yeah.
Yeah,
So he has car somewhere, you see? You just don't need it.
you just don't need it, you say. So in
Yep.
here,
How can I get you the link for? Oh, that's
are you sure?
okay.
Because fprintf is unbound, and that would be something
No.
that I would put in a core, for sure.
Yeah, this car I guess is from some library that he's using, dude. Uh, you have printf dot f printf, I guess.
Okay. What
Yeah,
is the
that's
thing?
weird, right? That's a
printf
bit
dot
weird.
fprintf.
Yeah, but it's a module, right? So you can open the module
Oh,
or
you
use.
mean in here?
Yeah, I'm not sure if you should call the module name printf. Oh, actually, maybe it's right. Like printed formatted, right? And then you have the different ways.
I would I would go with Go and just use this, dude. But instead of printf, but okay.
Yeah, that might be better indeed.
We also have a printf in here.
And I just want for this to work and we can end here because
Yeah, it has been some time. Unbound value, parser.prog.
yeah, because we don't have the prog. We use something else.
What do we know? What do you use?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Uh, yeah, how do we call it in the parser file? Uh,
Program?
wait, I forgot what's supposed to be there, but
I
let's
think
try program.
I'm gonna guess program. Oh, unbound
Nice.
module JSON. Unbound module JSON.
Where is that?
Here.
Okay. That's how he's uh, like pretty printing the thing, right? That's how.
Is that
Yeah.
how you do it? Opening? No.
Huh?
Okay, so how do you fix that?
Uh, the way we fix that is we can't print stuff.
We
You
can't
see?
print stuff.
Yeah, you have value there. You can't really print it.
Okay, so we can't debug this.
Wow. You can implement AST to string, right?
Sure. How do I
And
do
it's
that?
fairly easy, right? Oh, it's just a function that takes something.
Let. Um, I believe first is the name, right? So st to
Yeah, a way
string.
we would do it would be like AST. Yeah, just call it choose string, I guess.
Yeah, that's what I did there.
No, you did AST to string because we use it like AST dot to string.
Oh, okay. So I just name it to string.
I guess.
This receives a thing, right? This receives an AST like that. No, not like that.
Yeah.
Instead, like that.
Yep.
And then we need to pattern match this thing. So is that how you do that? Match. No, it's not like that, right? I don't remember,
Mhm.
dude. It's been a
It
while.
is match with.
Oh, it's with. Okay. And then I do insert. I'm assuming I can just deconstruct using just the names. So table
What
name,
the fuck?
column names, and values. Is that how you do it?
Uh,
I don't
yeah,
recall.
I guess.
Okay.
Something. How do you call it? When someone is like going from one place to the other, like using car or bus or something.
I don't know what you mean.
Mm. Well, I will try to figure it out.
Uh, yeah, but is this how you do pattern matching the thing?
Uh, yeah, like then arrow and whatever you want to return, right?
Um, table name. Can I concatenate strings? How do I do that?
I guess you use this operator. Or Magetta will think I.
There's a problem though, which is
Oh,
that
Magetta is here, dude.
yeah, Magnet
Yeah,
is
but
here.
just wait just a sec. Wait a sec.
Yeah, but let's finish this thing. So there's a problem. I have a list of options of strings. Can I derive a print for those? Please say
You
yes.
don't have the derive by default.
I am so sad. How do you print lists of things?
Well, manually, I guess.
This is so freaking sad. I'm
No, no,
so
no, no, no,
sad.
no. Wait. Dude, let's just do something much better. Go to the parsing function.
No, sorry.
Yeah. So instead of parse and print, let's just use par. Huh. Yeah, you can just return these like parse with error lex buff already. Oh, then you don't need that function indeed, right? Yeah, yeah. We are ready. Let's just like spin up a repo and call it parse with error.
Okay, but
Be-
then what do I put in
Even
here?
hmm?
What do I put in here?
Just delete this function, comment it out or something. Because even though it doesn't have deriving by default, the repo does.
Oh, so the
Uh,
repo
is-
cheats.
yeah, it does stringify anything. You see?
So the repo cheats.
Yeah, that
Cool.
sounds really bad. That sounds really bad.
Uh,
I mean, we probably could import the like what makes the repo there and use some function, but I don't know much about that.
okay, but then we parse it. Instead of doing parse and print, we just do lex buff.
Ooh, wait a second. Choose. What is this doing again? We call it loop. That's not a loop, is it?
I have no idea.
Yeah, that's not a loop. It's not
Oh no,
calling
no,
itself again.
oh yeah, no, it's not. It's actually calling this thing because this is a loop.
Dude, let's do the following. Create a function named parse.
Create a function named parse.
Wait, don't I have this on system math? Let me see. Source, binary, main. Oh, dude, I have it there. Just go there.
Just go there. Which file?
Uh, binary main,
Binary
binary
main
folder.
main. This?
Yeah.
This function actually.
Wait. But I go down there. I guess I have more stuff, don't I? AST. Wait. When I'm reading from Oh, okay. I'm not reading from S. Okay. I'm
Yeah,
not
you.
reading from the terminal. I'm just like using there. And well, I guess it's good enough for us.
Wait. Can you repeat? What should I do?
Yeah. So just use this. Just copy and paste this parse function.
Okay, I already have in my copy and paste. Like that.
Yes. Now we just run that in the repo.
I'm assuming we also should change the main function because this is not gonna probably it's not gonna work at all.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna nuke it like that.
Try to call Dune
No,
OCaml.
it builds.
Nice. Try to call Dune OCaml. Record what? What? Okay, try Dune UTOP, but I don't think you have it installed. Installed. Yeah, you don't. So let's install that shit.
Where?
I'm,
Where?
I'm, well, Nix, right? Uh,
Oh,
I'm really surprised that Magetta didn't install that. He seems to love this shit.
do I need to add into other files like in this?
Uh, I don't think so.
Really?
Yep.
Nix develop.
Oh, you are just assuming you have kind of packages, right?
Yeah.
Fair.
Usually it works. Usually. Well, it worked.
Wait,
Um,
what are we running when you run Nix develop?
Nix
I
shell.
guess we are running. Huh?
Nix shell.
Yeah, what is Nick Shell doing? Because he's probably have some command there that we don't need because he's saying they will come at top level as if he's running that
I think he's doing this.
when you. Oh no, he's just checking. Okay.
CD source. Then we
What?
do Dune, OCaml.
What's
No,
happening?
Dune utop, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
No.
What? Mm-mm-mm.
I
Dude,
have not
Belani
found.
saw a message from me from like
Yeah, I
November
noticed. Yeah,
last year.
I noticed.
Mm.
Uh,
Try to I don't know run one level up on the file hierarchy.
no.
Go
Okay,
inside
because
the. It's you probably need the name of the project
Oh.
afterwards.
yeah, not really, I
No,
guess.
no, not the thing. Wait, show me the directory structure. I did. It happened this to me. Oh,
Let
the
me
Linux terminal.
see. Dune
Oh, just
Utah.
SRC. Go inside SRC. I ran the Doom exec
I'm
there.
already inside SRC.
Yeah, that's not what we want. We want to choose the repo.
Yeah, but that should load in the open file, right?
Take a
Like
look on
should
this
load on the
thing.
same directory. So, bit.
Wait, do what?
Try CamelotDB without the like lowercase.
No. Like this?
Yes.
No.
No, like DB in lowercase. But I don't think it will. It's trying to find the directory.
No.
Yeah, that's passing arguments to top, I guess. Uh, wait, do we really need to set this? I don't know, try dot.
Library top. Oh wait, do you have your top?
Yeah, we just added Nick show.
No, but wait, that's the Nick shell you're running with Doom.
Yeah, but I not done. So we do need to add into other project files.
I'm not sure, I don't think so. That would be only Dune project if any, but I'm not sure. I
And
don't
I
think we
cannot
do.
comprehend why they did this. I really don't.
What's the version should we
What?
use
No,
for this?
no. To start, we for sure don't need that.
In here?
Yes, we don't.
Where do we
We
need it
might.
then?
Yeah, that's the thing. I don't think we need anywhere because the depends there is just for the specific package. But we are not running a specific package. We want to run utop. And from there we can access all the packages and namespaces and shit. That's what we want.
Mm.
I don't know why he's saying it's not finding utop.
Can you try to install
Oh,
UTOP without Nix?
can you try? Yeah, I don't think you would need that, but just try Dune exec utop. But I guess that doesn't make sense.
Oh, it does.
No, I don't think it does.
That doesn't make sense. Yeah, that works. See if you have the library though. I don't know if you do.
How do I test that?
Open, blah blah blah. No,
Mm,
it's not there.
Wait. What is? Can you go to your Dune file in lib? Yes. So we have a name there. So, well, did you look for the CamelotDB?
yeah,
So try to look for parse.
parse.
No, like open, and then parse with like uppercase P. No. What is the namespace of that shit then? Uh,
That's a very good question.
I don't know. Do you have a way to scroll to those suggestions of autocomplete?
I believe no.
I don't think so.
That's
I
really
think you press
bad.
tab. Press tab.
I'm pressing tab.
Press is
Arrow.
tab is complete, right? So it will not.
Arrow.
Yeah, but arrow to the right. No, it goes for the characters. Yeah, I
Yeah.
don't know.
Um, I don't know.
Well,
So
it's still better
close
than F
yet so
sharp, but
far.
it cannot load in the repo anyway.
Well, just for the sake of it, just put CA, like uppercase C. Yeah, you don't have Camelot there. Go back to the project. We
Can't you
might
load your
have
prop? Can't you
namespaces.
compile like to the VM and load the VM?
Hmm?
The VM? What do you
Like,
mean?
can't you compile the bytecode and open the bytecode
Oh,
in
yeah,
UTOP?
you can. That's a great idea. Yeah,
How
that's
do
a
I
great
do?
idea.
How do I do that?
Okay, so OCaml Lemmus has like 1,000 different formats. Like there's
Yeah,
CMO,
yeah.
there's
No,
CML,
no,
there's
it doesn't
CMA,
has a.
there's CMA. I don't. What is the difference between CMO and CMA, Nathan?
That
I don't
is just
remember.
conventions, according to Nathan.
No, no, no. He's talking about something else, Lamos. He's talking
Oh.
about really OCaml. How can I say?
Oh,
Different file extensions because
oh.
they really are different things. Uh, so okay, so run the Dune build, like just exit there, run Dune build just to be sure we are on the last version.
How do I exit this?
Exit one. Oh, Control D.
Okay.
Yeah,
Doom build.
yeah, and then you know you have the last artifacts,
Yeah.
and you will find that on the underscore build, right?
Mhm.
But just run the u. Oh shit! Actually, yeah, just use the Dune. Wait, can you run just utop? You can, right?
Oh, yes, but
Yeah.
it's not loading
So
the library, right?
yeah, I pretty sure it's load. You use a hashtag
Hashtag
load.
load. Yeah.
Yeah, and then
There.
space and yeah between double quotes. And yeah, go there, build and a bunch of stuff before finding what you need.
No.
Oh, it's not completing.
Oh, it does.
No,
Okay.
but it does it only if I know the letter.
What if you
Yeah,
So
tap?
open another
build,
No.
terminal.
yes.
Oh,
And
that's
then
Oh, but
there's
oh
you want lib, don't you?
yeah.
main.
That's not what we want.
No.
We want lib.
Oh, lib.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah, but Dude, we have to look inside the.
Yeah, tooling. Why is tooling horrible, man? Another
Well, the tooling is very bad, and
Which
it
one
is
do we
worse when
want?
we are in a weird
lib.
environment.
Okay, yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. Like, what is KNet say? What is KMA? What
Wait,
is
do you
dot
have
H?
CMO? No, right?
No.
No.
Then I guess it's the CMA. Just try to load it.
Okay,
Hmm.
so cam
Oh, there it is.
like that,
Yes, the
Maybe?
now double semicolon. Yeah.
like this.
Mm-hmm.
That's a huge maybe. Now see if you have
Oh, try,
some
try.
namespace.
Parse?
Open.
No.
No,
No,
open.
no,
You
the
need to open.
namespace of the
Oh,
modules. There is no way you have the. Huh. Try parse.
no.
Huh, that's really bad. Uh, wait, let me see something here.
The tooling. The tooling.
Oh yeah, almost as bad as Haskell, dude.
No, this is worse than Haskell. It's
No,
achieving the
Wait,
point
Haskell
of
is worse
Rust to
because you
me,
cannot
actually.
install it.
At
Haskell
least,
is worse.
yeah, Haskell
wait.
takes more storage. That's fair.
What do you mean by Rust?
Yeah, Rust cargo is great, but the module system, it took more time for me to discover how to use the module system than in this all
Oh
of
yeah,
this.
but that's not what I would call tooling. But yeah, you need a CMO indeed. So you don't have any CMO. So
Well, at
huh.
least not according to this.
Oh wait, I
Why did it let it
think I
load
know
then?
it. Ah, you don't have.
There's another
Hmm.
command that is do
Try
dash
this
refresh.
one, CMXS.
CMX. We don't have CMXS.
There, A. There's
A.
one A there.
CMX.
Oh, there's an S there.
You
Where?
have the.
Camel,
It's the only
CMX.
one that is green, dude.
Oh,
Yeah.
this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Man,
Like
this
that.
is funny.
No, you have an S, don't you?
Cannot find fun. Yeah, X on the ND.
CMXs like this?
No,
No, no,
S.
just
Just S.
S.
Oh, sorry.
It's
Please
not a
run a
Uh,
bytecode object
object
file.
file.
okay. So okay, I have another try. So try use instead of load. Try use.
But
Also
with
with
which one?
hashtag. Also with hashtag and on the file itself, like the .ml one. But in solid build still. Don't you have the
Uh,
parse.ml there?
yes.
So yeah, use that. What?
We ha
You had parser.ml
Yeah,
also.
but that's the one that generated, it is being generated properly.
Exactly.
Yay!
Ah,
You can
okay,
find the
okay. That's
library.
a bit better, maybe. I don't know.
That's better.
No,
Maybe this is
that's
good enough.
Uh,
actually
uh,
not better, I guess.
Actually, can remove all of them.
No, no, we need those, dude.
No, we do we? Why?
We are. Oh, wait. Uh, yeah, I don't think we need, right? Because we are like
Oh no,
qualifying
we
shit.
only we. Oh yeah, we are already using the qualified version.
Not
So
sure if you need the lexing though. Can you take a look on the system F code? What am I opening there?
Just
Nothing,
stop.
right?
nothing.
Nice. So let's try, but
No, but it
yeah,
doesn't
that
work.
might.
Same problem. Do I have
Yeah.
to build again? Maybe?
Nope. Mm,
Are you sure?
Yep.
Because for me it doesn't make
So
sense.
But you can try it, right?
why don't we give up and just make a like a normal file and we test it via some entry point, and then we discover this later.
You can do that because
Oh,
you have parser and lexer in special. What?
okay. The error changed now.
Huh.
So it needs to be built again. That makes sense because this is under the folder underscore build. It makes sense to have to rebuild it.
No, no, but you just built and didn't change anything.
No. But I changed the internal files, right? The files before were outdated. I changed my
Okay.
files, not the files
Okay,
inside
so
this.
yeah, but he's complaining about not finding parser. That's weird.
Yeah.
I would understand if the problem was program and we are using the wrong thing from inside the module, but you can even see that you have. Oh wait.
What?
Oh no, I was confusing parse and parser again.
Yeah.
So can you see if we really have parser there? Because I'm pretty sure we have.
um,
No, on the file system, right?
yeah. Parser.ml.
Can you take a look at that? That looks great, right?
I'm not
He's
gonna
doing
say.
a whole fucking huge table, dude.
Well, I guess that's more lines, like 400 lines for
Yeah,
free, I guess.
yeah, a huge fucking table. Uh, hmm, hmm, hmm. So why is that not working? Wait, what about those dot objects? I never saw that. Can you try to open that? The first, yeah, I never saw that shit. Those dot D, no idea.
What the heck, man? I never seen these as well.
Oh, this byte. Go to the byte.
Oh, there it is.
Oh. Hmm. That's interesting, right? Let's try that.
It is even with non-capital C in the beginning, like Magetta speculated. Dude.
Wait. Why do we write that with lowercase c, dude?
I just
Uh,
made it be lowercase.
No, but I mean, we are writing that somewhere to be there, right? Where? I have no idea.
Man,
That's quite a journey.
this is top tier. This is S tier bad tooling.
this is
In a scale of bad tooling, it's like A.
Oh, it's such a horrible tooling, dude.
open and no, it's not. No, Camelot's not here, and then parser, right? Also no. Yay!
Oh, that's so fucking sad. Can you try the parsers? The parse emo?
You mean these ones? This and this?
I guess.
I don't
Okay.
know what
No,
the
no, but
difference between
parse,
those.
not parser.
No, wait.
Is any Camelot slash parse? Yes.
Oh
Yeah, that's
god.
Dune stuff.
Okay, and then parse or parser?
That
Parse.
one. Okay.
Parse.
Reference
Oh, it
to.
needs the Lexer.
So okay,
Uh,
try loading the Lexer first.
Yeah, this is top tier bad.
uh, you will need parser first. Oh
Okay,
no. Nice.
parser first.
Oh,
Okay,
Uh,
okay, all of them are in, I guess.
uh,
Open,
I hate this shit.
but no,
oh,
it's
just
still
try,
not.
just try, just try. Keep
Which
typing.
function?
Keep
Which function
typing.
do we have? No, we don't have parse. We need the
Trust the
function
lemons. Just type open parser. Just type.
It
open.
doesn't.
Trust it.
Oh, yeah,
Trust.
Magetta has a good point. No, parse.
Oh, semicolon, semicolon on the end.
Unbound
Eh,
module.
Parse,
Every
parse, parse.
every statement on this garbage, you need to type semicolon, semicolon.
Oh, so
It's
it's.
not
I
here.
remember this from F sharp as well. Is that right?
Yeah, that's the same thing.
Okay, so DB. Yeah,
No, so
I
they're not
think.
loading.
What a battle. Uh,
Yeah.
any remaining ideas, Nata or Magetta?
So why are we doing this now? Oh, okay. I think it's because I wasn't here, so you guys went
We
to.
want the repo.
Okay.
We need to be able to test this function.
Okay.
This
Can
is
we
very
ignore
sad.
this and do another thing?
Well, we
And
have
run
no.
this program
We
how
have no
to.
idea if it works.
Well, you
No,
either
but no,
have
we
to
can
do
run the
this.
main. We can do a main file and use there.
No, that's the whole point, Magetta. We either use the repo to see a string representation of the AST, or you write that function yourself. And that was a bit bad
Wait,
for Lemons, right?
no, wait. You're talking about printing object
The
you just
EST.
made. Yeah, but I don't want to do that.
How do you know if things is parsing?
But dude, I don't. I'm questioning the necessity of parsing right now. I don't think. I don't know why you guys are doing this. That's my
That's
question.
written. We want to see if it works now.
Okay.
Ah, Deus mio.
So, Lemons, I guess you can win at your string function, dude.
I'm not typing that.
Oh,
I'm not the one
uh,
doing that.
wait. Just take a look on the ST first. What is the information that you have there, the relevant one? Uh, you have a string that you just put there. String link. Oh, shit. Yeah, you can match that. If it's a non, you just don't print anything. If it's a sum, you just use a fold, right? Concatenating that with something.
Oh
And
my no. I'm so sad, dude. I'm so sad.
it's not that much stuff to type, dude.
No can't print lists.
So do a let binding before returning that.
uh,
Here was my point, folks. I think when I was doing this, the last thing I worried about doing the part one was the insert. There's like a million of other things to do
No,
before that.
Magenta, but all the things we want here is just see if it's working. Even if we don't need to keep going with that right now, it's already done, you see?
You know, like the PPX thing to print.
Yeah, we should. We really should. So, one moment.
There's an
I,
entire surgery because of tooling.
yeah, but Magenta ideas of the PPX is the only sane one, really. We should be just deriving those things. Uh, so,
And the
take a look
reason why we
here.
chose to do the language is because this is the most simple thing. Everything else requires a lot more understanding.
What?
Yeah, I'm just explaining to Magetta why we chose to do the language.
Oh, you mean parsing stuff.
Yeah. So what do I do?
It's
Wow, instructions.
PPX deriving.
good luck, Lems.
As okay, it's not that bad, Magenta.
Okay.
Until the day where we don't find the library. Yeah.
Until it is not.
Yes. Until the day that we don't find the library in Unix, and then we don't use it.
That day will come, by the way.
No,
Yeah,
no,
you
man.
still need
The
to
goal,
read the instructions.
the goal for this project is for us to not use any dependencies apart from that shit, because that's like a sane dependency.
Okay, so to use deriving, one modification is needed. Need to require via.
Field system integration. That's what we want. So pre-process there. That's the key.
Like this?
Wait. No. Just the pre-process, right?
Where?
It's written right there, dude. That's like the third S expression.
Oh, this thing.
Yeah.
Where do I put that?
On Dune file of where you want to import this shit.
And I want to import in here. Like that?
On library. That should be inside library. Yeah. So go there. See if we need something else. Usage. Oh wait. If you're using a build system, no, we are not.
Let me just
Yeah,
read the
maybe
passage
that's it.
from the Unix Programming in Standard ML book.
Hmm.
Related languages. After he finished writing the book, he made this on the ending. SML
Is
New
that from
Jersey.
Harper?
No, that's from another dude. That's like Harper. Who's well. SML New Jersey is not the only functional language I could have chosen to demonstrate real-world programming. The OCaml system, OCaml, and like the link, is an implementation of the in the ML family. The language is different from standard ML and a bit on the experimental side for my taste.
Whoa.
However, it has recently seen much active development in this area of infrastructure. So if now you start to think they spent this book is from like 1996, I think. So they've been spending all this time in tooling and
No,
think about it.
to be fair, it has a terrible developer experience, but the tooling itself is really good on like when you know how to put it to work, right?
Man, I'll show you how you run this shit in standard ML later. You're gonna be amazed on how to start projects in standard ML.
Okay, but it's not
Oh,
working,
man.
people.
Okay,
So are you
so
using the thing?
Yeah,
And
here.
is it at the end of the type? I don't recall.
I
what
actually
is
think
the
we need to put it in
error?
here as well.
Hmm.
So let's see. Library not. Oh, try to use the depends, right?
Oh, the depends. You
Oh
mean?
man, they have a bunch of weird stuff regarding
Dude,
namespace in config
here's how
files.
here's how aware I start to question the sanity of people who made this. Why did people made an S expression
No,
based
no,
thing
no, 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 no.
to
Wait, wait,
run
wait, wait,
this?
wait. No, no. That needs to be the dot show, I guess. That's one of the weird things.
Nothing.
Nope. Is that correct? Oh, okay, yeah. Try to list that as a library also.
Try to list
Wait, is
that
it
as a
doing that on the
library.
doc?
That's funny.
It is not, right? That's huh.
Can you were about to say something, Magette? You can go on.
I don't know what I was gonna say.
How you were talking about the S expressions?
Oh yeah, I questioned the sanity of the whole ecosystem when they made an S expression pseudo language just to configure the thing.
Well, S expression is the easiest thing to parse, right?
Man, the easiest thing to parse is key value.
Huh?
Key value. You make
Yeah, but that's not as powerful, you see?
powerful, man.
Yeah, it's
What the
not
heck, Nicole?
composable.
Man, you just need two things to run
No,
this
no, no,
shit.
no, no. You need much more.
You
Because
need
things
no
can
man.
be. Huh?
Dude, this is just big A, okay? This is big A. You don't need this.
What is big
People
A?
do.
No, no.
People, you guess what it is.
Yeah, you guess.
People do.
That
People
doesn't make
do like
sense, Spaghetti.
people do like I don't know marvels in make files, man. Like in C.
Oh,
Yeah,
wait.
then you don't
Totally
understand what the fuck
possible.
Dune is, man. Uh,
But let's fix this, people. Let's fix this. I want to see the thing being parsed.
uh,
God dang it.
t- 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 Try to list that in libraries. Well, maybe we have to put
Just try
something
it.
inside libraries, right? You see that we have library there?
Yeah.
Uh, wait, how are you running this again?
I'm just doing Dune build, dude.
Oh, okay. And he's complaining in lib.dune. Okay, yeah. Let's indeed try to add an expression there called libraries on the library one, like inside, right?
I think that one we have an example for. No. I saw that at some point. Oh, here.
Yeah. But even better, let me look at projects that use the PPX deriving.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Uh, so close yet
No,
so
no, no,
far.
no. You need to put something, but oh, you were just to delete that, right?
Wait, sorry, what?
Uh, yeah, I thought you were trying to compile with this, but like try to use the same name that you are using on the preprocessor, right? Or maybe without the dots something, if that doesn't work.
I mean, doing like that?
Yeah, try that first, and then without the dot stuff.
It got
Wait.
worse. Both are wrong.
Libraries. Wait, did you try it without the
No.
dot show?
No.
Shit. Yeah, we need an example, dude.
Yeah, we need an example. While you do that, I'm gonna
Dude.
change the main thing here.
Mm.
So, uh, how do I read a content from a file?
Okay,
Mm.
let's go in the hellhole, Lemos. Let's open a channel.
Yeah.
Are you? No. That's a joke. There's no way.
No, I'm not
Um,
here.
mm.
Ah, okay,
Here,
so how do we
file
do that?
manipulation. Oh, come on. You want to read line by line? What do you want to
I
do?
want to read only the first line.
Only the first.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is an open in. So type it.
Open.
Activate the LSP.
No, let's just go. Let's just go.
Dude, the LSP of that's the only thing that just works, man. Well, that should. Oh, you need to install obviously
Okay,
on the
so
Nix app.
package. No, server.
I envy this LSP. It's so good. Like, I
OCaml.
have no idea.
I don't have OCaml.
Be right back.
No, it's Tuareg. No, but here's the thing: you don't need to install that. You need to install the Nix, like in the Nix packages.
I already have that.
The Flake. Are you sure? The
Yeah.
OCaml LSP. It tried to find and it didn't.
No, but I didn't. I know why. Because I didn't open Emacs from the next developer thing.
Oh, okay.
Um.
Man, like,
People ask me, why do you listen to Mageta? And I say, I don't know.
the project is. I was doing F sharp just fine. The problem is the.
Main ML. Um, sure.
Okay.
Um,
Did it work? Yes. Now,
so
okay. This is
open.
opening. You pass a name, and you're gonna get like a thing that you can iterate over.
The name is the file path.
Yes.
Um, okay, go
Yeah.
on.
And with this something assigned to a variable, so like let blah blah blah.
What is the return of this open thing?
This is like a file descriptor, but it's not really a file descriptor. It's like a channel.
Okay, so
They call
file
it channel.
channel
Yeah.
in.
Okay. And then on next line you do there's this function called try. Wait, let me think.
What is the type of this? In
This is a channel.
Okay, I need the
So
content.
try input. Okay, there's an input line that.
FC dot.
No, dude. There's no dot. It's just input line. Literally a function splattered over the thing. Input line, yes. And then you put the channel.
Yeah.
And then maybe you get something or an end of file. So you need to do a try catch, I guess. Yeah, that's an exception.
Ooh.
So try. So try. Yeah.
Try this. What's the syntax for that?
Wrapping. Well, just this. Try and then enter. With. Yeah. And then the exception you want to pick or a wildcard, whatever. It's end of file, like capital A. Capital. No, without the wildcard. Capital A. No, it's literally written end of file. Just with the A capital. The rest is normal. Yes. And then okay, but both branches need to be the same type. So put like an option, like some and none.
Both branches need to be the same.
Yeah, the same type. So for example, the first branch is returning an input line thingy. See what that function returns. Yes, this. This returns the string. So
how do I compose?
Some. Well, I don't think there is a compose by default. You need to make it. Try I don't know. Maybe it has the same as F sharp. Try like arrow, right? Like yes. Is this an operator in OCaml?
I have no idea. Nathan is
No,
not.
it is not. It is not. Okay, but in either way, just do sum.
Just do sum where?
Well, before the input line, remove
Before
this. Yes.
sum.
So wait, yeah. Here's the thing. You need to loop over this. So
I'm
parentheses
back.
now. Parentheses over input line because precedence. Yes. Okay. Now this is a value. You can remove this parse, and on the width you make arrow. Like yes, arrow, none. Okay. But now think of this. This is returning to you one thing, right? You still need to loop over the file.
Sure. I don't want actually. I
So
don't need to loop actually. I just need to. This string here.
so just the first line you
Yeah.
want. Okay,
The string
so
that is in this file, there's only one line. You see?
so just assign this to a variable.
So let
No, no,
cont.
no. Well, let blah 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 equals try, and then all of this inside
Oh,
the let.
let content equals
Yes,
that.
like this. And why is he complaining? Oh, in. You forgot the in.
In here?
No, in after
Oh,
the
oh
the
here.
with. Yes.
Oh, that's so cursed though. Okay, this is better.
Okay.
Match content with. In the case of none, we're gonna say print and line file not found. Uh, and in the case of sum, we're gonna just pick print. I actually don't know the type signature of the function.
Mm,
Uh,
mhm.
returns another option.
So I need to unpack it again.
Cool. Where's my do notation?
There
Match,
isn't there a do
parse,
notation like a let plus, Nathan?
Uh,
parse, C
Or is
with.
that
you
also
have a
PTX?
function called readLine in OCaml,
Oh, is there a read line? Yeah, but
and
we're gonna
that's
need this anyway, like to read looping.
like
Uh,
the more complex stuff, right?
Yeah, and we're gonna need to read bytes later, so it's
could
already.
not
Oh
read parse file.
no, yeah, but yeah,
And then some AST.
It's nice
Uh,
to see them suffering, man. Really nice.
no, I'm not suffering
not
per
gonna lie, I
se.
enjoyed that a bit.
It's just bad because I need to do a bunch of matches and stuff. Uh, okay, so how do we print that? Assuming that the deriving will work.
Oh, what do you mean?
Yeah,
Print
yeah,
the
because we
statement?
have an statement inside the thing.
You need to make a true string on the statement.
No, but the deriving is supposedly doing that, right?
Well, yeah, so then just end line.
Um, yeah, so how does that work? Is it like this?
I don't know. I never used this crap.
Cool.
I'm happy that F
Cool.
sharp has classes now.
Cool.
The task is awesome. Man, like this is kind of necessary to think of it, but anyway,
Yeah,
go
but
down.
that's so bad. Uh, okay,
Oh,
so you do
format
format
function.
and then you do. Okay, it's not. It could be worse. Uh, what is PP by the way?
I think that's like the can you go, but there's only one parameter, right? Which is the second one.
Okay, so we don't know what that is, but we just put AST. Um, okay. So question, why is this not working? This here, unbound module parse. So do I have to include anything?
You need. Well, no, you shouldn't. Oh
Yeah.
wait, Gondun. Yes, you probably need to add on the libraries there.
Libraries. So parse. Well, maybe Emacs is trolling. Very hard
Or
to
maybe
say.
just lib. Oh no, it's lib. It's the folder, right? Isn't it?
What do you
Yeah,
mean?
it's lib underscore. Type lib. All lib. Yes. No, without the parse. Just lib. Yeah. No.
No. Well, at least
Or
Emacs is
maybe,
not.
or maybe the LSP didn't reload.
Yeah, maybe it's just Emacs. Anyway, so now. Oh wait, is this unit?
Yeah. Well, of course. The
Uh,
print.
okay. Can't I just do that?
No, it's already returning nothing, right? It's a unit.
Okay, so that. I noticed that the deriving thing it is aligned with the pipes. Let's try that. If that matters, that's terrible for multiple reasons. But
Well, I hope it doesn't because I would laugh hard. I would propose us doing this in C. It would be less painful.
okay, so the leap thing that you suggested doesn't seem to be the one, which is interesting. Wait,
The
the name
PPX
is
deriving.
CamelotDB. You see that? We have two things with the same name, CamelotDB. Oh no, the name of this is main. Okay, so it was already imported. Okay, now we just need to figure out the PPX deriving. Nathan, are you there?
Yeah.
So did you find projects that use this?
No.
What the heck? Isn't that the most
Awesome!
famous library? Isn't that an
Wait, I'm not.
ultra famous library?
Wait, I looked into one, and they are using Reason.
Oh.
One sec.
They don't have. Oh, they have an example which doesn't work apparently. They just do that, like pre-process, and that's it.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, but for me that doesn't work at all.
Did you include that on Nix?
Yeah,
Did.
can show
How
you.
did you include it?
Like this.
Hmm.
APX deriving. Can you add dot show?
Do you need that?
Search for show on Nix store.
Take a look on the chat.
Where do I put that, Nathan?
Where you are using the PPX.
In here. In here. Uh,
Oh, open that, you see?
oh, open this.
Yeah, on the file that you are using the deriving stuff.
Nope.
Sad.
What, Magenta, what did you suggest before?
Go to the Nix packages and search for
I think I already
show
tried that, but let's see.
with show. Hmm. Yes, I think it should be included on that, right?
It should be included on that.
Mm-hmm.
I asked ChatGPT.
ChatGPT set up an OCaml project with PPX deriving.
That's what he returned to me.
Oh man. Oh. Ah.
ChatGPT. Oh shit! A second.
Yes, ChatGPT.
He can't be wrong, right?
uh, library name preprocess. Oh, libraries. I don't think I tried that.
You tried that,
Let's try again.
but well, yeah, exactly.
Library. I don't care. I'm gonna put exactly in the order. There, and then library.
You
Well,
care
it
instead of that.
shouldn't, right? But I don't know. Dude, I'm
I feel
starting to
like the
think.
thing is not even installed, man.
Yeah, I'm starting to think it's Nix as well. But
But the
then,
others are installed.
yeah, but then how do you know? You know?
Can't you do a Dune sandbox environment? Open, right? Sorry. Like open install, blah blah blah. Or I
Mm.
think you need to do all the hell of like open init, get the
Oh man.
thing.
Yeah, probably gonna have
But
to do some more
Okay,
that
configuration.
would be
so
pretty much
what
the same
about
as using your Dune exec, man.
what about we do in another language? Just throw in the possibility here.
That could be a thing.
I was
Yeah.
not aware that things are so hard.
I don't think it is, but I do think it's always a possibility.
uh, well,
I think doing SML would be easier, man. And it's not easy. I'm not saying it would be easy. I just say it would be easier.
Yeah, I don't
Tooling
think so.
wise. Tooling wise.
I don't know.
Are you sure?
No, that's why I said I don't know.
I'll show you later.
Oh.
um,
You remember that APL talk that Leonardo gave? And he
Hmm.
basically like went into a website, picked the code, and pasted there. That was the dependency management in APL.
Oh no.
That is like that in SML, but instead you just add a path on your thing and that's it.
okay,
It's
but we
loaded.
are completely out of the rails here, so it's almost 3 hours. So we're gonna finish. Let's do the following. Let's forget about this until I don't know the weekend, and then on the weekend we try again to try to see if this is a problem with my Nix, for instance. So Nathan, you should test on your non Nix machine, and then if that doesn't work, then we can
What do
reconsider
you
doing the
mean? I
language.
would be using Nix also.
No, you wouldn't. You aren't you? Don't you have this installed natively?
What exactly?
Done.
The
Open.
PPX deriving whatever.
Yeah, to download like the OCaml packages, I think you use Open, don't you? Oh, he uses Easy. I forgot about this.
Yeah. So you can use your own impure way of doing whatever. If we don't manage to make it work until I don't know the weekend, then we swap the language, which is very sad because the name is so good.
Oh, you can just find another, like think of another language. Say another language, Nathan.
Well, you know the language, dude. Rust.
Yeah, the rush
Yeah,
to
Rust
be
is
the one.
boring.
Uh,
Um, project decision. Was it here that we were voting? I guess. Yeah. Let me see.
anyway, I'm gonna finish the stream now. So that's it.
Oh, we can